kwan ama wana wotumi si hine ma obi tu franka no why dey wotumi edi omanim June 16th 1960 pepe Ghana Bay Republic afinumu ena Kennedy akompreko Agyapong owo no ba asasi so that's a wo hwe no a afiwe June 16th obenya mfie aduosia asai biensa oya babunu oba Ghana mamu dia oya babunu oba Africa hanom no se obi prema mpani no anya 63 anaje so usapa Nigeria for akoto 80 as also at 70 and he tells you say this is a young man, an adult, full of age, full of fire. And then in the it's up close and personal. Obua what Kennedy Agyapong din. Dear na man ye ne oye. Dear na ma na sama o ka kire we are seeing na say Ghana first. Ghana first. Denti eno se ye ma Ghana ni kan ansa na ye de bibia nso aka ho. We no makoye niam bi ni nsam pia enne. O hyase abrabo ase na o hye firi himfa. Ehimfa na ode akoduro. Na de ba de kra ne nani so ade huna. Eti nkaye kase eba sika, eba busia, eba abrabo a wabo awi a chenchina Ghana first. Obiena no say I live for you. So you also have to live for your brother. In that way, we can make Ghana a better place. Let's criticize ourselves. He's not afraid. So be criticize on one party. Say Ghana. Yenyina yebekaya empempi o tena TV so a. Ne party na timi kana dwene kire wo mo ne mo yenye. Party no mu yesisi obi a. Dear ma, what drives Kennedy Agyapong to speak with such passion? A injustice. The downtrodden being intimidated. Yes, you see obi. And I only be a mobrohu ni bia. Obi person didn't see Cassino and only 2 Mrs. No. And Mabuna or Ghana, a dear adrenaline or warmer woman. When you and ne overturning in our fideso. Me wa abeja for had mammy no more sin kunya. Yebedi din komo ba kumienumi and Sabra ya de air chain. Yabe call a form honomo. Na yabo ama honomo so na womo bebo dompem wo form honomo no etwa yewura Kennedy Agyapong no so bo ama so ne ombetwetwe nkomo. The team is ready, set down there. Ima Aki Kechre wo munyina and school fees directly affairs together with Rocky in the house. It is a ocean then some air coso ne niema air coso na the air catcher on say. And there all roads leads to this place, Sompa 93.1 and Sompa TV. We are live on Facebook, Sompa 93.1. You can join us, Mam Waman on YouTube, Sompa TV. Mino Kasei, it's live on Terawan TV. It's digital. It took out Terawan TV this year. Over to me, at my voice, name and nimfe ya medisi ahanumi. I lawyer yana. I said, oh, here my name. Because of an imfe. Sompa TV, yawaha. Sompa FM 98.9 Sunyan, we are live. We are live at NAP NAP Radio. Asinfosu NAP Radio. Omo fire live me no kasaya. Ash FM. Ewa Asante Mantema Kumasi is live on Ash FM. Sanso and a NJ FM Ejra Edem. Eti enye yenkwana. Timo amu wa ejra ne mpotemu. Samo temene ewo radio foforo so memfiri Sompa me wa ya na mom dwumadie we eson ehun hia se edi ni santi and anap radio asinfo so Ash FM NJ FM Ejra Sompa TV Terawan TV and Sompa FM Sunyane 98.9 ya fa dwumadie ya de brem mama lawyer kwaku amodate akwaba lawyer na mpom to say
nyamienti me hoye
Bibi aboko Baba Moro ewo menchen wa ha na mebu sa baba mama na kwaba Baba Moro ho to say pani menene hye nkomodi ase a Ubo di ntia Baba Moro and Ofia. Yedin. Foster enzo so Ofia ha. Foster asare to say. Bibi aboko. Edo ba dia se. George Bogo Ponsa. George. Bibi aboko. Edo ba dia se. Baba Moro. What want to say? Yeah, you must sutre. Say, Ukra na woche Canada Japan taxi tree wa America.
No correct.
And to one Canada Japan the tree taxi wa America.
No correct.
Na mudu America no. Obeto na adi kan na say because obetire obi ade ara just obeto.
Obeto me.
Krobeswa.
New York
City.
New York City.
Sana mukano.
The Big Apple.
The Big Apple, man. You got to show it, man. Okay. Obeto no. Dear na ma because Ghana ha any ebibrim ha. So obi kwa bro kire sa no bi beto na. Oboa nipa no a ya ohwe ni tutu, ohwe ni su ni ne ban. You know ye ansa no aboa no. Dear na ma otwe Kennedy bata wo ho obeto America.
Kennedy be America no na me medical wo.
That's right.
Na me ni nya na kwa.
Okay afi no.
Me kai 1985.
1985.
Na me ni nya na kwa Desade College.
Oh, okay.
Na you were the same house but I'm a senior chair.
Now we be form 3 and form 1.
Aha. Nti e share na is at this go for so there. When Santa Claus you know
Vim no.
Nti share na just say it's also to fear back.
Oh, okay.
Nti e wona sa bond no.
E chassis.
Nti e wona na me ejuma gas station. Na ono so no ejuma bakery, a friend Zaro's bakery. Nti na o pe double job. Nti me pe ejuma wo be na wono saso man no.
O buy na no pe double job.
Nti no ye ejuma wo ha, won sa be ejuma wo ha. Otimi tere bia yanko ejuma ko otimi ko tem 24 hours otimi ye ejuma ni nyina na watene so an ye tene sika ede e dia man
Sompa 93.1
we a hard worker from the one over America
Double jobs. No we see any so.
We see any so to do baby na say I was na you can cab a friend gypsy cab na your yellow cab your gypsy cab and then you can bronze ne Brooklyn no na ye ntina nani je won so be ye ntina ese osua kaka nti me chene kaka no otoka baako no otomi no otoka be de man ko foka bia
Eti na bedroom e bi no no oni
car
a set of cars etwi taxi no eye adwuma ono twi bi
ono twi na nkofo to ye bi
eti ono no talk car no cars no wanya twi
no otwi na nkofo
also obi anko beka yesi awaye business o90 no
otwi na nkofo to twi e de bre no so sana Ken o start here that's how Ken started nti e wada time na Azuma Nelson e ba be kuntokwa wo ho na ne yo yadam for bi so a do they can free Germany by na friend Tommy
that's what call Germany
asa na oba America nti Tommy no so na ne brother ye liquor store or Manhattan nti e hono na Azuma no ba wode ne manager se hono na omokokotena nti e hono na Ken oje se onye ska na Azuma manager se ne ba ye no onye ska akra se na ohia se so otodan for this kind of my number to the first house oh Accra Edemano that's how Ken started the free one you say and one for toss one by one sir
let's say work out for how many years ni
oh Ken I know Ken since I decided college we need with the same house
because na mame musa ade we once obi o hon ma woni no na shabra bossy meka say he is known now say no treat you
papa Ohene Agyapong so oba betum is ya wa be hu oba obehumi a wa be hu say there's a great bond between me and me
onim kwa say oba
onim say me ba ha
I be ya can be come the hotel and even today or the penny mount and we need the nyina
serious can you be ana nkofo fi se bia ska wonya ntina e bia ne subante sa he's like tam ono sana ne subante o onni sika kwa se na we wo adoye odonipa obo nipa me say me ka say me just me share no me share na meji
or the mema
oh ja o de me
wow
share na meji we're a very good we're a nice guy
and from that time I be pim nei on show bibia say bia or kire ne ho a kire wa na say bia baba moro about so mo man corner we need time
ontisa ken ontisa tempia me here bia no insaka no
with all his busy business schedules
this a man called here on chen ho kire me da na me hu so ahye no kwa kire obi da me hu bisada
baba moro and I need to train komo abon on na pa home to don kro mama call lawyer kwaku amodate ho lawyer ye share honorable Ohene Agyapong anim na wode na ni so ade hunu ne opese o man Ghana kodro abeto Ghana man ne ade hye anim aboya no ba se onam kwaso ba nti enim se oba bedu Ohene Agyapong and Ghana today the entina wo face in your own estimation wakumemo you speak with passion about this man dainty and our delegates are more MPP4 say emre soso omokoto aba mo mun hwe bebia omun peja papai and lead the new patriotic party
yo menu amidasi edi kan no ma memfasa akwanya so enchia yatiefo ene yahwefo a anyumrei almost 8 yen ya yebedia dance ya na yebeka honorable Ohene Agyapong ho asem e was Sompa FM etosuminu meda Sompa FM management asepa so wa me anyasa akwanya nso so a more created the opportunity and the platform say honorable Ohene Agyapong so no onfa ne vision na ni so ade hunu any the entire person or running for MPP flag bearer now he was running for the presidency another president to be the president of this country and also you the management as and one kasa so opening on my hand
yeah abo bemedi
yeah that was it say was I the host na minim say with you no in the chair no this conversation any interaction honorable Ohene any Ghana for ebenya ne nanwumre no ye behu ni pasua honorable Ohene oye
okay
now through you minim say we be nya a very good conversation a very good interview into onyame on shroud na on ton kwandem ye da your friend is the producers no nyina say obo mo yadwuma wa from the gate the security to the reception e basoro ha nyina ye ba ye no ahofama ahokeka mo anya dia man no e kire say mo odo e ma mo man na de mo ye nyina so enye policy na mo ye na mo ye Ghana ho donti e na mo say mo mre mo ma ye platform ama ye so yetimi abedi adanse afa honorable Ken na question na ubusa me no say Ghana empempenso a ye duru I say Ghana for abemu yebu if you say Ghana for a maburu nyina bebrebe e hwe adwuma omunye adwuma nye Ghana for e pesika e de ato oboboto I say eho akwa atwe anida so eni ho enti free empanin ekosi mofra so obia e hwehwe obia obetimi abedi animu a obemma wo monya adwuma ye obem oya adwuma so a obenya sika to botom unya sika to botom a obenya behwe wo busua ene wo mba wo faasefo wo mame no mama brewa wo papa no ma ye week obenya sika e de abo mo Ghana for e high fi so obi be wie university obi wie polytechnic na woni nam sa no nya hwenye enti se wo hwa na am robbery e doso wo da ha na adwoa na obi aba so okuta tuo okuta sekan na obefa wo niema wo do bag kwa na ehwima free unsem wo do phone so kwa de bibia wo na agi phone afri ho o kasi fia na aba be wia enti I say Ghana I say amanfo ya to baha fi say I say anida so bia en she da ni ho ema enipa enunti no ye omo preka say eh de wiase kwen so de ye ntimi nko ne say ya o was see nya candidate papa and this all share foundation President Akufo-Addo what build ya to her in terms of free HSS. Say we are saying so country be no betumi atu anamo akọ nanim without education
in there
in that enim there and now said the working
class,
the human capital no any education omu need the tools and president will lay down the foundation and it's all sure why STEM on science, technology, engineering and mathematics.
Yeah.
And now we're converting most of the technology schools, polytechnics and also into university.
That's right.
And now all build so many science schools, any other schools, say TVET, say infantity more from. And we laid down a very good foundation. We started 1D, 1F for industrialization. Agro processing, or say yeah, man for air. Doom so we ye free ho ama was stabilize it now energy and power ya obi o ye adwuma bia etimi ye adwuma emre na so say I was so hand over the baton ema obi foforo enti why na was that Dankwa Akufo-Addo foundation wa lay why na was so hand over the power baton edimano onyai na yemfa ma obi oba odi dum so beba na the answer is there be onyai never more obi a was free HSS and faso ni so na oba obetwam the answer is there be yemfa mo obi a nam sen kania enya adwumanti businesses entimi enya adwuma ka omo ti magazine sese ya no omo mo su light magazine so mo ni power so omo ti nya adwuma enka omo adwuma kan so toye enroi enka kania eden adum wo mo ye cold stores e wo Kumasi Jom enka omo so omo adwuma eden abo wo mo o hand over master the person the answer is there be obia on create adwuma obia sebi ye kase onkofa ambulance mrakra na ambulance ode beba no na ya ambulance to o hand over ma obia na Dankwa Akufo-Addo or the ambulances over 300 pieces of ambulances ya odia ba ni na ye Mercedes Benz and just an ordinary ambulance a Mercedes Benz made ambulances are inside the ambulances so you state of the art equipment say fa opin for crowd wo mo etimi de nsuo sini so etimi de just sini so ya e paramedics omo wo mu we building all this foundation at ho enti when we hand over man no I was so hand over man obi a odi ose eye oyo
good
obi a on sinsuo mu ansa na wa ham obi a waye bi pen and also hand over a man no e say mre na so say delegates omo koto aba yeah, a panel no almost does about 9 or 10. We bar us me bar make it here juma. We boss me discover tumbutum. We bar us mo health me take care of. A man for kasa bebrebe. Question you was a busa ya hone say. Why na wa create a juma pen? Say Ghana high way ya na yeka GDP. Gross domestic product.
That's right.
Say Ghana for Ghana sika nyina
Ubia de kaka
it's about 2,000. Now, sir, at the end of the measure, the productivity, and our income, and our adjuma employment in the year. The measure side the way. Now, why now what team you create an economic activity? Economic activity, so and the national income, ebe kosro anase enkosro. Ema GDP, ebe kosro anase enkosro. Now, so far, the pedi jina hwa. A free A kosi B, a free B kosi de ka honu nyina omo pe flag bearership aye no. A free so mo wie school. So mo kwa disco, so mo kwa prempes, so mo kwa here. Yo omo wie university on start adwuma no. Tembia obi na employ omo. Obi na ye adwuma, wa set it up na adwuma. And akọ UN. And ya money post and na OD. And I say country be ni bank. And wakọ and okọ boa omo. And I say we had more ministries be to mu nyina obi a ya adwuma e na ban atua ne ka and I say do obi adwuma no atua ne ka but so hwe honorable Agyapong Japan eni pasu a nti yegina ha no efiri ni mofra seba odi ofiri 10 years eko nyina no and so so oton ade enti onu se onu ankasa no oya adwuma ma onu an ho onu an topic has tetra blade rob or turning now was street so
chupa chops
yes and ma bontin and all year juma na odi year juma ma ono ano ho won namusa kokwanso wo Lagos Why yes I no we nyina ada ne mame tomato wo table so atra ne mame nchen enti feed mo frase bania no. This is an entrepreneur. Obia or what business mindset. Ya offend the business acumen. Or what the business mindset say media me wi asa me buy no tambia me ye bibia me de be boa me ame ho na maboa foforo. And say unne din komo very interesting Agyapong. So only honorable din komo de be for business one. Na dwene ye cost control. Say me ya me moka. Any come me me FM. And to ne kasabo so afa pen. Na ohwe se ade e bebo ka na ye moka anade obenya sika na ye.
Yes, unya bomwa no a check it.
Yes. Enunti, this is the man. Yeah, opeso bedi o man anim. And the question was able to answer to bedi anymore e bebo ka
Sompa
ade obenya sika. And to feed more fast bedi na pani kan ye auto taxi baako. No auto taxi mi enu America.
Tomiensa
no ono nko antimi antwi na o create employment ma other Ghanaians.
Even in America.
In America. In the 1985, in the 85s, our New York City, the Great Apple, the Big Apple. No, almost chew of Flatbush, almost chew of Manhattan, or the Grand Concourse, the dangerous place. Puerto Rico for them hosa or the Grand Concourse. Now, or creating jobs even in America for Ghana for alcohol, and that creativity, you know. Yen trust na yen nwene na yen pesika former bra na me pesika no so a nya me nkwa me botom tra na emom afoforo into America o create jobs I call the end the question no tax over 50 bebrebe
50 taxes.
50 taxes ya Ghana for the year
It's fine say 40 at that moment no 49 Ghanaians and almost share time almost clocking in.
Yes.
It was like almost
yes
handman can say an Uber company or Bolt
and a Django. Satamo create now say obi create job. You are in economics, effect in the trickle down effect.
Yeah.
Now say the multiplier effect.
The dependency.
Dependency is apart from almost America no. Na Ghana for almost tifie ni ma me no fast for so.
Almost to me sika be show.
Because that time no near Western Union. Who hard to near fro. Na almost send this kabafie through one person ne business ingenuity yeah what na dream the dream poor any odo a o man in mindful o critique taxi e wo ho hwe omo mo ba nyina boso meso asese etwe se boso meso a omo kope flag bearership no nyina obi agi paycheck honorable ni din any ne signature e wo check so a odi tu anipa ka Tienio, Otua Nipaka, onye flag bearer. He's just an MP. And then the MP cross scared the man also was at the mama from scholarships.
It's in the MP Kenya.
Oh, the NDC Niba scholarship. Amaniko outside. Equaco Suyandia. Or no, Nisika Kakre the man hono or the Yadoye, Senator Jamoroka, Emma Afufro. And at the end of the month, can you imagine say Otiho na all sign a check? Mumfa we ma Kosi Bedu, Mumfa we ma Frederick, Mumfa we ma Kofi Mensah, Mumfa we ma Way, Mumfa we ma or sign a check throughout the lifetime, you know. Young American the crown count the lifetime, you know. Or high nipa over 7,000, over 8,000. Now Mumu say who delegates Mumu say who say
the entire lifetime.
The entire lifetime.
But to me I'm nipa over 7,000.
Nyuma one person and nam ni donti and we are direct employment na say uba indirect so wo mo musika yesa checks mo hwe wo mabusu afo na Ghana house so hwe your friends sasika ayina ye ka say householder eni po mo ye be 4 or 5 and say o papa ya adwuma ma ken na so otua ne car eni pa 5 and enjoy and say if so hani pa 7,000 multiply it by 5 the impact over the lifetime, the impact. Scholarships one man and kahun. Oh, and papa we papa. So that number kufuado handing over the baton manual. Obe creating jobs. I'm a Ghana for NYB. Now interestingly, no, who say I can 1D 1F one sem. Now so no honorable Ken. I compare what Japan didn't come and now the ideas, the business ideas, any innovations. Maybe you interview or say let's pack innovations. hwɛ yɛtia mu sɛ banche deɛ ka yɛdua sɛ nka yɛde yɛ ayi
yɛwɔ fufuo ne yɛde bi ayɛ kokonte
gari na yɛde bi yɛ ba papa yi ɔne ne partner ɔma build banchifuo nti yɛka sɛ let us add value to our raw materials a wɔde kan astarte nti sɛ obi ka sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛmove Ghana koraa the baton handed over the baton from the Georgesburg economy yɛaka bi yɛde cocoa raw ne yɛde kwa brochiri yɛde yɛ bauxite ne yɛde kwa brochiri yɛde yɛ gold ne yɛde kwa brochiri raw a ɔno nea ɔka sɛ add value a indeed he's an example of adding value.
ɛsɛ wayɛ banchifo
ɛna wagye ɔyi starch wabuild ɔyɛ banchifo no ɛna wasayɛ starch factory ɛwɔ maintain Atebubu.
Can we have the starch factory?
Yes.
Please get us the starch factory.
Oh, okay. Atebubu.
It's a way the Asian with TV so and you say be obey. Why?
Yeah, currently no nipa komo bad Jumano crowd is about 900 employees.
Nipa hankro.
Yes, employees. Now say what you be akra 200 Ghana cedis and just multiply a month over the year.
Maybe the airship.
Yes, sir.
A starch factory no.
Yes,
and wafa growers. Dia
Ono nkasa you say before you start any agro processing no one kasa as the businessman no e was say
the way workers are before ma call juma
enti ono nkasa no banchi na wadua 2,500 hectares ono ane e and son of agro schemes around
ono adua 2,500 hectares
as the base as
and outgrowers no yeah omo amudua banchi wo ho no omo nyina so dua no makoto ama no.
And now, what the hope? I say Ghana for Bamuabuno. What who the hope? What give you to the hopeless? What who social vices? Chronobo any ayakayaka di anka mo friend.
Na say abrantia o wa Atebubu amanten. Ene important. Say osoya no pa. No ko factory we koye adwuma. Okobi obi ade ayede.
Apedie.
No ni odaje.
So enti why sa farm no ho now. Nana Akufo Dankwa say value addition. Okay, honorable Minister of Trade and Industry. What I say, honorable any minister, any control. This factory now about building no. And you're only the partner personal money, and the one investing in such a factory, and the one employ Ghana for. And all this sikaye there, L2 bottom, and to no pay anybody that say me discover 2 bottom one. I no cre. Ono pay no kasa me employer eye no kre ono pay e dey sign the check so e dey tuan crofo ka ono pay and na sa factory o ma yen apart from the starch onum say wasan your research only some Indian scientists I research who say no starch the crowd no o make me say nya ethanol every mo say ethanol no o dey the fra your fuel na the cost of fuel na e cost no e so by 30%. Yeah, when we na ewo papa yi na dwene mu a oil
ethanol say eno an ye de ensa bebre Ghana ha nya ensa nya ethanol omo ye alcoholic beverages omo krano in quantities free China ne India na eba etina ye say obetimi a create an avenue a Ghana ni nko kra ethanol obetimi aton
eno nti ono no ka kire wo say me ba metimi a build it ama the cedi dollar rate no relationship that be other cedi no dollar the ebu cedi no with this
because import substitution
exactly import substitution this is the man on the thinking nyina ni and to beti baby because na on no class ni say enema oil no the end goal and he say Ghana for home be there e be tom and he say oh here import and the fancy crude oil e ba Ghana ha the oil refined oil e ba Ghana ha na free ye per dollar akutuaka na ye jack up the rate in the cost na interest rate bibia the air cost na o you so ni business acumen because the cost or no are affecting the pain what you say affecting the pain and na say dem say omo be factories be pharmaceutical companies omo here they need ethanol pharmaceutical companies omo here starch because syrups young Korano no Korano drone na omo any tablets na build no Korano the chemists any the omo pharmacology no will tell you, say they need starch. Afen was starting. This is a small beginning. Now,
Nipa 900 years small beginning.
yes, because look, I'll say he's going to use.
As I did say, I can say.
Oh, he's going to use. Honorable, so what you say small beginning, so what you interview will be or say, oh, Hian Crawford, or ye thinkers, or dream big. And
yes, or Barbe said Ghana to Obama, no man, Mampenia, or before be a minister.
WWW, this will be all about you.
What do you move down? Be added value to the Nippon to Obama.
And the last 3 days ago, now needing come on, you reading come or say Charles, Mr. Yes, or say lawyer, Mr. Yes, or Jack. Some media me foul Juma now, yeah, Juma. Never 8 o'clock, now be Bahwa, next a wound you are. Obusa say, oh, for some motor or say, Kawa, Kamoto way no so, Membaha. O deputy minister no, or say, Satia Juma. Oh, until o believe in time. Or believe in resource usage. And to hear Obia Ghana baby a Druno. You hear Obia or be running Ghana the country as a business. So all running the country as a business, you are always thinking about profitability.
Into my mining
and mocha. And to go negotiations crana, oh dream on mine who say, hey, you better in your secret free negotiation, a better in your secret free negotiation.
For so a beba on my Ghana.
Yes. And now Obisusua. All your business, so sometimes you are not doing the stakeholders, not doing the shareholders, not doing the customers. Until every Ghanaian, according to Honorable Keno, a shareholder, our Ghana BBM. And therefore, who lead the beer, all doing the shareholders. I want my dividends, a good bottom one.
On file, mine on time of mine on Cobon will be
Debbie. Until the search factory. Now, interestingly, Ghana ha, me person who ni pursue, oh yeah. And the reason why I was a delegate was start thinking properly. The reason why I was the president and my power you hand over the baton to Obia Obetimi Afa at the end of the anymore. The IFN is saying no, steel. Who said Ghana all the bridges are here building.
Can we have the steel factory?
Yes. Ghana bridges be here building.
Mama is steel factory, no why?
Yeah, the iron rods in the bay. You sit down with Chrome ha, yeah, the iron rods in the bay. Interchange is a bay, so I mean interchange, yeah, the iron rods in the bay. Iron rods in producing over her. He said, Omo import no, Omo kokra, almost $100. This is Omoko Bank of Ghana. In Omoko Bank of Ghana, the demand and the pressure on the dollar no, na a cost pe na rate ni so akogim. After that series dollar you know, na amaya problems. What dream we no ho, empo onye president. Say if this is the case, they say they win a Ghana for a here there. Any me build a steel factory, me to the Ashanti steel factory.
Ashanti
steel factory or the two Ashanti mine. Because of the background a war bantama. Or the two Ashanti mine. And a steel factory no so also no. The largest steel factory in West Africa. And it's going to be among the largest in Africa. Other than here bauxite, you two are there the abruchely. And a single person was just here who said Ghana for here san more way you can industrialization, you can say affordable housing, you can build a housing near you. We need all these raw materials. And to that dream in the team point say through innovations, through value additions. No, you bet me ya near my more ever Ghana for assume ajo mo pa. Ahwatoyen, hwe ohun say Ejamoro only honorable from 1985 or say odonipa or you be as no ye hu no saa na otie or ya doye obi ho chi no New York America na no ho tete. And if you are Ghana for time a lottery no kra buy Ghana for a odo free Ghana ha ekọ America I didn't know the oti ho na odi Ghana for
father lottery system
no enipa be over thousands ekọ US
through the initiative ni near
eye ma omo ama manfo bebrebe abusuafo ene esebo ye boga wasi dan we mu nyina ono abawaye na obi a odo nipa eni obi a odo ni man tambia odwen ni man so apomden ho so why me o man apomden ho a all the economic activity udi dwa ontimi ni dwa so wo magazine na wo ya adwuma ontimi nya adwuma je because apomden nye de enye na papa yesu ahun se anopa na mu din ko fe doctor bi na mu mention the word lifestyle
Sompa
FM faso etnase edidie ne ye no manye Ghana say asay and then near the cheese near the way naf cran and beef abrochire ba na yewe and chene ma me for be enya cancer and chene nipa be enya diabetes any be dealing with
hypertension heart failures.
Doctor ne catch say na no pay say there is a relationship omo your brothers so when you diabetes and chene when your heart bibia no chene when your stroke of body we bu nyina kire ya no pay. Now this is somebody when you see car and ka odi be kokko Dubai and now go to America, New York, Los Angeles, baby, and now Florida, baby. Now I call Gina ni. Sabri wadi in 61 and cause say I had a hotel for was a tower. My mentor many. I didn't happen that way. And now say Ghana first in tea. No person there did so bad 1 moment and did so montino. Oko 37 is here, me no can say yeah. Adia papa ne ye wo ho e do twem. And to say ye kase delegates mo hwe obia. I was another Kufuado hand baton manual. 37 military hospital. Cardiothoracic center.
And don't know focus here na kire say.
Just say yadea a free akumamu yadea. And I say it's BP and I said there's a clot in your heart and I said bibi
that's a wakuma no enkaranke to a hole in heart.
Maybe obi na kuba so ayekese.
I was saying operation this Sunday man.
Yes, and take us a cadua a wakumamu and thoracic house here. Wahrawamu any manema. And the OC hospital. Ewo a friend said,
I will see OC hospital no say abain and on one bottom sika
6 million. Tell me baby no. All start here no na kebe 3 million. Na see omo call your present coffee here.
Enu na omo AC no.
That be where
steel plant no.
The steel plant. On the steel plant one person. Hwe. Na umo so ka kire me. O see India for no omo ye engineers no. Omo fa Ghana for be. Na India for no say go machi. E no mo ka kire Ghana for say ye way. E na Ghana for na ahihye bibia. E no say eh sanity dia mema Ghana for no bi asua. And that these Indians no take you over. The time we are not dreaming, everything is about Ghana. Look at the iron rods. Look at this factory. One person, on your president, on your vice, on your minister. Now I'm focusing on Kwana BBA. Now can the bottom sika the way up again? Because we did that.
Now say Obi be but on say. You wa say ne cry in a small way baby.
Yes.
Me why Obi ba office be sre me sika ma me money be.
Yes.
But this is
it's an edifice.
It's beyond imagination. It's beyond reason say. Shadia wuhui.
Yes.
Steel factory.
Yes.
Valco.
Yep.
But apart from Valco you need any steel factory.
No, Valco quite the aluminium.
What if aluminium? Yeah. Now he's building steel factory. So make us something that is close.
Exactly.
And Obia, the whole Ghana.
Yes.
Still plant way. Sika bekum. Se guna account to moi. Metime aka say. Generation. I'm told he spent so far $32 million.
Yes.
Ghana for Mudio. Yetimi kobosia. Ekope $10 million.
Yes. Not the whole parliament.
Not parliament debate yam premier pre. Mutie de you. Yetimi kobosia $15 million. Ne abebo say Germany gives Ghana $50 million for why not?
Yes, hooray.
One person spends $32 million on you.
Yes.
$32 million on
now
a steel plant.
Unim say, ma anytime be a man for a discussion now. Mama me and the
Ghanaians, let's wake up.
Yes, the steel plant is okay cool. Now other jobs are steel plant, you know, ancillary jobs are creative. Complementary jobs are creative. What do you say? Yes, you see a building railway from Ghana to Burkina Faso. You see a railway near
Wankra railway.
Lines ni the that from the fast cocoa check and that from fast ni is still near there. That the bini and the DS are there.
It's just in your steel plant this you are. Young Kokra,
there be
rail lines. No?
There be. And the BB are related to steel beer, so no, you bring on and now, also to hand over the baton is to only one person because BB actually share Toyota, Honda, Volkswagen, and all these friends and car.
They will need steel.
Yeah, almost assembly. Only the parts different which the better assembly you don't have. Now, all the parts, you know, if you have this steel industry, why would they build the pass ever bruchly? No me build the pass in Waha, then your assembly.
To me fani padodo a build the parts no ha.
And the trickle down effect, the multiply effect, and also Ghana for even. And if Nana is handing over the baton, Nana do believe in industrialization. He has already taken the lead. Honorable when already can get near man. And he's the right person to finish the race. He is the Joshua. And Moses was handing over more. He handed over to Joshua because Joshua know you're able leader. Then this was shit or you're bold. On since your son Waham. This is the man with the steel industry. And now we're going to make a thoracic center. And you're saying $6 million.
Shy.
Obviously by the close of the year. No one year. And now all year you know so doctors now almost specialize in cardiothoracic and your special
doctors now 37
yes
abina fa omo
or this Germany
no sponsor omo
yeah sponsor omo to go
specialized fields no
not for himself but for Ghanaians and na center no or Bulgaria and you see there we na you say that mo fan no the best woman will provided machines were provided also the MRI beba be see were provided.
Yes, so more kono bia sika $76,000.
Yes, it's gone.
And wasade $24,000.
It's gone.
Eti 76 no or the 33 aka ho. Eti obia benya 100,000. 33 no kotena ho no ma. And no na fire o chop money no bia. Na 33,000 go chop money there say go for my you.
And abusa wo say.
No be bo. We are doctor na. Now go ya juma o bro change $33,000 no. And easy o. Now go ya specialization for 1 year.
Yeah.
You see for your comfortability. 33. Hey!
Now
na bushia force no
na bushia ni nka ho ni offer e dey wonim wo mo kra doctors no nim wo mo once I select to say we doctor for say this mo maje na mo nko at the same time no also mo ye Ghanaians and 37 military hospitals so no and 7 only Ghanaians no yeah across West Africa
referrals at Senegal one
and Ghana has to carry to center there wo you know Palebu no only the bed capacity 32 bed capacity. I think it's 32 or 40 bed capacity. Your ball honorable amani pe or say double the size. And only then 80 bed.
They are mine see for all these years no. Then our professor from Pom Boatin down 32. No individual no AC 80 bed capacity.
And at the see so you Ghana sikao. And at the also you the bottom sikao.
That is the place, man.
Yes, ne kase obi ewa badaya. Ye kase obi edone maya. Ye kase obi put Ghana first. Ye kase obi the voice of the voiceless. Ye kase obi bringing hope to the hopeless. Why bio? Na unim that day no ya oba hon. The man there then say, na president wo ho. Na no maso president kan. Or so honorable akompre concern. How them say no. Ade na sisa. Ade na sisa. Ade na sisa. Or
that is said. Yes. Video na motion no.
Yes, video. Oh, where president in or three.
Now, do we have the sound? Okay, yentie asem kaka.
From the military and from everybody doing this. Yes, it's good.
I think the prophecy 2020 is by 2021 next year, but a lot of things happen. Until the man delay by a fiasa has started. The bomba is a problem beyond maybe, so that by end of the year, no, thank you. I've started buying the machines. You know, in Jersey, I bought MRI machine, a brand new, about $1 million. We hope to finish by end of the year. So, Bibia, Bonibia, and Trie, yeah, what they were. And him say, he bet me every a contract and the Oyadi delay no every May. Say, Bainfo say, okay, Ahuma, I was through. Not a ma, let's just say Bibidim. 2021, in your market, crabby happening. Until the mom is slowed down. But they say, no, my start here, I will speed it up. The contract and the Ukraine, all the Sikamano there or the Ejuma. And I like the quality of work. You know. I believe say me mahu kikano a question sure. He can even finish before December now. He can. But initially, almost say $3 million. No, $4 million. So he said maybe $6 million because MRI no kwa mama deposit no $1 million. The MRI, brand new MRI, is $1 million. So maybe you better furnish him with all the accoutrements. That's $6 million. I have health insurance that I bought from America. So the slightest I go back to America. But if you are not careful, you fall sick and you not exist for 12 hours. You can't survive for 12 hours to go to America. So I believe that wherever we are, we have to make sure that the health providers are well taken care of, the facilities are well built, equipment well supplied, so that we will not travel outside for medical care.
Project no, started June 2021. And say you do 40% of work done, which is second floor now, the last floor in the building. Actually, I started Jumano substructure works. There was a lot of challenges. I see relocated service lines, sewer lines. It caused time overrun. Currently, by the end of this year, the project will be completed. Now, equipment now installing in the building. And equipment are installed in the building. There be a MRI unit, CT scan unit, an X-ray unit. There were dialysis unit also in the building. There were 2 operating theaters. There were cath lab. And facility next an 80-bed cardio center, which will be the largest cardio center in West Africa. In the project which we now within 37 has there is going to be the biggest edifice about 37 has. We are really on course, and we hope that by God's grace, come the end of this year, you'll be completely project. First of all, I'm sure Honorable Ohene Agyapong because our share project. The cost of the project a single individual why na adwin say or person of finance and say and yes o si dan no na waka say ono ane dia or running as a business but o si dia check o man no to wa che ade pa wa ya so ani and time bi aso be call no ne be discuss project no the way o si encourage you say yanyire ho yanyi adwumaden na ma project mra so na emwa ga na man no otimu say Honorable Ohene Agyapong wo abadaye pa ma o man yi a de wa ye no sebeka sumba bida cause mpuntuo anase health ade a ehu hiama o man pa nti se enye obi a odwe nipa ahodin mu na otu ho ache se nei wo hwe dialysis cases ba na youth even cry young people na more heart problems ne normal na se individual ba kwai na adwen se obesi project bi se aboa youth no ne o man na make us wire ade pa ni GP se enam Honorable Ohene Agyapong so na ye project we na president ehu say dwumadi a honorable ye no efata se obeba na obehwe dwumadi a honorable ye nti the president as say oba ha behwe dwumadi a ye di e wo ha sei.
Okay.
Yes.
Ken, me catch you say obey president of Ghana no. It's about 12 years ago.
O catch no.
Me test no, I say me phone no access that phone no. Me get a test Ken. And am wo ye no. Wait my Ghana president until your name ye. I sent him a message. About 12 years ago. Because mother, why we need no me dey me pa.
Now there say we need that
number. We nipa.
To be frank, today I am overwhelmed by this. Nyame anim ni ma yaka Ohene Agyapong ho nsem. People know him on radio.
Yes.
They know him on TV. Say the near day Kennedy de Kanadwene. But this is humanity.
Oh yes. Go ahead.
This is what is called humanity. Just a nipa. Nipa ho bro ne ho so. To be frank, I am shocked, my boss.
I'm in the constituency. No one say my baby ton koko. Ne ba girl ten chen. A school hour. Busa ma say ma I na kula in school. And that I need to school fees. Then I never pay what you mind school fees so sir. If I can no da me o JS me o JSS2 but me almost am so we can meet my ayapa so we sure onye me ye MP class no sit down o school down wo the chrome dumpem o sit down ma omo o so na sa di machi one in the core master and roll akrai bibi ametua akra no if or JSS2 wo ye exams no onya 8 ones Ken they call SS will blow 8 and we're a medical doctor. And then okay say the
transformation.
Say obia rebe fi me akra we ni rebe fi me.
Changing the life.
Doctor, lawyer,
yes, enti oh edana
I been wondering.
Oshia president or no. Umasa president kan. Or say this is a positive contribution. So hwe president say we are no si gina ho no. And also what should attire conference where you're proud.
Yes.
Say on
no man
so proud.
Massive deal. One more prayer. Me jihad as a neutral person.
Yes.
But my question is, what why no man penia ko inspecting the project?
Yes.
President name I see Jasono. So sometimes you ask yourself, say, then why isn't the president handing over this? Mini penny.
I mean, that who say we hand over baton man.
Because surprisingly, if the president can go and inspect a project
of an individual,
not just any ordinary project, the largest cardiothoracic center in West Africa.
Yes, sir.
Ghana heart attack. Kum for her. The obetima survive near the Quabruchi.
Yes.
Okasa was say on pese 12 hours no ebia yanya on crack time you know untumi survive it. Enti Ghana for bia bibi nti wanya heart attack no. Ya the new ras center ha. What was sick amad adokota for nson sika se omunko no omunko nya hunumu ni nimdia emu odu ewa akoma ho adwuma ne yahrawa ho eti saa doctors nso no omo ba bibia do me mo free Ghana because omo adwuma omkoye and it was sponsored share $33,000 just last year the amount say for kwabichi and the dollar see about from cry 12.5 33,000 bobo mame nipa bako ye tia ne ho ka $76,000 ye we amani 33 so mfanto no ho no nko tena brochire den a ebi aware eti also omu Jessica ofie ma omu yire ne omu ma.
Yes.
We are looking at what 396,000 Ghana cedis, 3.9 billion. Dr. 7 no obia 3.9 billion ye jagu ha ma omu say ubetime ja 1 billion ho ana 2 billion ama wo family na doctors no okwa brochire okra over to us as yes, there were no 4-bedroom.
Yes.
You see, radio man Ghana.
And I mean, you almost say, me yana me pay, and no must say if you say, doctors no so omo kwabuchi no omo kusuadi no. One exposure on benya.
Yes.
One experience on benya, and at the networks on benya.
And even when they come, they are coming to train these doctors here.
Yeah,
surgeons.
Of our phone, of Frey, I call the former Ayipe. Yes, you say. Near now, you say MRI or machine or DB. $1 million.
$1 million.
And an MRI
125 billion.
Yeah, a machine so important in the management of disease. And do work on that. Na a best work or that's why. A very sure who know what in natural baby I be war. What toss our machine with the city. Your friend says scan also
scan.
What or didn't you air X-ray or didn't you air abe sheho enti aso no hand it over I said 10 key or hand it over key na Ghana government said munye key no na center no ready to go, ready to operate with doctors to work. And you want to president don't hold you now no or sheni din or china tare because eye ni nwanwa senti ken ya na uti TV so kasa na wo yesi na wo su na wo you glasses to form na ye nyina no. This is what you are doing besides. And more of a MP. What I say, is it what you are doing? No, why are surprised? Now, maybe you are the fanokra tone chain. You have no tone chain. who said Jamoro or say or catch 12 years ago so with my president or say papa no or chadie or yadoye of or dream nipa ho the oye bia so or yadia ebeboa nipa onum say nense any I think about 1 month or 5 weeks ago oba the friends Conference Teaching Hospital oba bambi oba e friend mama ama say mama fia say wa oba or the empa 100 ebre Conference for
na say ano
bebre we e friend is cancer for oncology department no ye call rounds o share mama bi na e friend mama fia say wa mama fia say wa o win baby
I think mama fia say wa we have that but I news the video is there. Honorable Ohene Agyapong buy no. I think on the boama that interview.
And only say mama fia say wa hu na I say remind me of Yesu assembly see o Matthew no. Mama fia was me kona me na yakokasa. Mama si me kwa manya ne hwe na me so ntu amu a menya kwa ahosan. Mama fia say wa call ya oni honorable share. O si me nana ebo manya cancer e me no fumu sebe. Sharp me no fumu. Nenso aka the management of the cancer no. Almost on budget me 7,000 Ghana cedis. Mini bi. Enti me did hasa honorable share nim say ya. Sompa 93.1. Dr. Bako. O say mami mo hwe no na metua 7,000 e di amamu. O mami a owo ho a na osu na areho achi no. All of a sudden na ahotoso abadum. On the presence alone. Say na uma example of akwara and now a doctor. Mami afia say wa the presence alone amoni age. Obesra wo mu 100 best. Or the best in bob was echo round. Efa hospital ho nyina no buso omo say e de be mbio na metimi aye e de aboa mo. Na wonim ne ntia man copy also no kire say na ne ye ka no cancer akum Ghana for pa. As a matter of fact, the top 1% killers ya ekum ni papa o ekrom ha no eye cancer etimichi bema etimichi oba etimichi abofra etimichi obia ebetimi achi wani ebetimi achi wasom uminimu wakumamu every part of the body umoja kra no leukemia ebetimi it affects your bone marrow udompemu de ofi echim no it affects it afi na onya leukemia ye ho hwe nye but there's a machine bi e wo ho a some machine we den cancer bi aye wo bia no in management no what's some machine you find the linear machine na some machine ni bo de pa na ayi for na de bre Conference Teaching Hospital if France
beds
yes
and these are not just ordinary beds
yes state modern day
modern state of the art beds
hospital beds yeah ultimate adjustable ultimate chinchim na una peja na unsa peja all the range of motions 100 of them pieces of them and mattresses not just the skeleton bed what you say and mattresses but I bet you hospital no and interestingly some machine no they control no from France oh yeah they are renting our center no and he said o contract no so say won't ya o mu gina ho a o mutimi shut the machine down and obi na so say honorable machine is see Conference na yeditity cancer for about 80% of cancerous people no yeditity wo no omo contract na wu enti na pass bi awu enti omo replace ye and ya shut machine down and a Conference for cancer department no atoba ha and they need aside way ye bo honorable manie obuso omo say mo contract no amount $145,000 United States dollars. Was it muhia machine pos here machine or you check where no their momo omo wire sika no e dia ko abrochire no so no it cost them $2,000 to the nyina kabo mo the total cost of the contract renewal and the replacement of the parts now as no machine e adwuma no $147,000 honorable tua now the machine is working now asumbiaba now you manage cancer adentina adebe e donko wa
aja me tese ese omo busuafo kra deda e ho no onso obi ho ma oba ne de share yare ntino obeda na omo de deda formo
yes
or the 100 mattresses ebe che Conference for answer na the empower ba no 100 mattresses say obi eba da ho na say oba so obeda form ama wakonya pneumonia nom ne ade ntino 100 mattress no konfa no chefo nyina omfa ma womo a omo adehye eda ho no se anwumre se oba no onya baabi na onda
na unmu se a prophet bia so ni kuma nyini ni time on for sika no koyen enkofo no mo France no almost say honorable Nebetu I don't say we don't have any contract with honorable we have contract with the friend is Confanoche for and from say omo investigation about this man omo say ya compare omo fixe machine no repair machine no and sample the sika no echo na yeti Ghana ha enipa we so be ye di anim delegates bi mu ye kululu ebinu ya na yesi ayi wadi afiri mu ye ma won to aba ni bi ebinu ya say ni say emrofu India for Chinese for even Buidam Sino Hydro or no present ni negotiation skills
is that Sino Hydro or ne no lead Sino Hydro
yes
later penny no choice FM Owari Fred Owari koye Buidam penny Sino Hydro Canada Japan the bag
yes oh but yeah na on sadma we nyina on ka you say ye enim no na wo say
ye twa ye ni enko form ho no mo na ye hwe e form ho no mo be hu say o ma siesie ho kama Ghana for na kuma seman obi a opese oba around bia no interview no eye opani ni trasia o ma ye screen kama mo betima hwe ni live or form ho no mo tie bibia bi na Mami ko ya bo ma ye crowd of form ho say ya bo ma ye crowd amun som form ho no ma ye be minute aha yes the trending papa ya bo ma Libya burger so more form ho yes wo twitwa twale say oh form ho no ma just say ye hwe ani mu say be ba so na okay yeah, okay, just so me and quiet.
More studios are more choice of Rabo Canada, Japan, Baba Bedro. Na Ohene Agyapong, a domo begu former say, a choice of Rabo Canada, Japan, Mobatia, no, Money Bedin Comono, and Yansem Ketua, Emuma, Emuma. Emu enkwada emu mrewa ade ba ko ma ho yesa ma ho sada na ma hima bi kura no afo esro ho no mu a omo so mo twe so na bo Ohene Agyapong ba o ba Sompa fema sei ene so me mpesua so no omo ebesia no no ma kire odosronko e de a kire Ohene Agyapong me tete che se eye groups bebre yawo agerifo a omo kumase o maka omo wabom atiko for Ohene Agyapong yawo enu no mo mazifo a o maka omo wabom atiko mediama Ohene Agyapong mento ato ma me kasa nwa bi ni komo kakra ni muso omo ni enti a omo ewo ha eye anwumre oba odin say
me Suzy
odin Suzy o join ekuo bai
me join adwadifo kuo
momo he
yen ye wo
kejetia adentina moti sa ko ndi ama honorable
ye ti sa ko ne dia ma honorable kire se ye honorable ye kandifo a odi animu a ebeboa yen tini atiko na ye de support honorable
na momo ye delegates amobeto aba ne bia na
ye delegates ye de ye sre ye boni chidom ne sre delegate ne se eble ni dra wo mada roma omo mfa tumi no ema honorable ma yen
but uni an model so kona mene omo maka na ento aso be ma odin say
me din de safo kantanka
ofre he
me free 3.1 Antoa Kwabri East ena me wo
ofre Antoa Kwabri East on wadru so ame ha
an madru so ame ha
na wo Ohene Agyapong group no dey na wo join
me can't die hard for honorable Ohene Agyapong ho me san ka traders for Ohene Agyapong ehun
adentina wo join circle no I would support Ohene Agyapong
denti a me join circle no dey support honorable Ohene Agyapong nyina ne say emprempren Ghana ye Hawaii wo me yesu a yesu no honorable Ohene Agyapong na nyankopon ayi no say onim Ghana ye haw na wo betumi asia no ebise mpanyin se ne wawe koto achi no ka so obawe kora sabe enya nanu dwa ena odwa na ya asem trodo no kwasem ena oka ede akyerem sese Ghana ye timu no yesu ewo fuel nsɛm ho Kennedy Agyapong ye nipa baako a anase Ghana ni a watimi abie gas filling station wa America mamu ansana bibini wobetimi abie adwuma wa amanone a broni fita be ma lances atimi operate adwuma no number of years no na kire se woye obi a nyamede nipa bi adua omu enti se Ghana mabru su for adwuma ho a Kennedy nkwan ne betumi ayi yefrim tina medi na chi ba bia onam no
mate me da se pa oba osu free for na ba
e wa me free batase
free empatase na kese bantima
empatase
oh okay now didn't say
me dey adwonya
e ko dey na o join ni
me dwane Kennedy Agyapong kuro na me dwane
dey adwadifo dey ni
before dey na bia
adentia
because you kena ye obi a wabo adwadifo ankasa ono ye adwadini eti enim se wo ba na adwadifo no wo beboa ye eti kin obi ase ye dey ne adwadifo ye dey ho to no so na ken ti me boa ye e wo dwadie
mate
baya ese se kin ho adanse a ye bedie no aye adwadifo a wo boa ye eti de bedi kin ho adanse
mate me da se kona me ne menua entwa so na se menim se me cameraman ne betima pa ne camera no e de akoni se ya ohe eye branch ne se de omusi bo eye drums no no mo tiji amanfo ni wa ha se ya ese woni se se ya ka kire wo be ma odin dey say
FM Nana B Libya Nana B
Kennedy ko be na wo join
business association ye dwadi phone no ana se ko na ye dey say business Ghana ase no ana ye se ko na se won say ye ni age say ye o bambo say ye nya obi a obeso ya sena ma ye dwadi timi adum pepe so enu nti na ye ti se ko no if say yesu ehu say Kennedy ba of the business president no ye ni age pa ana ye share wiase we ya wiase fa na nyina all over the world nyina obi adwadi ni obi business this is the time I business ni oba be di o man Ghana so a e be ma dwadi fo so high nti oba no eni je ma dwadi ni biara Kennedy Agyapong ba be di Ghana o man panyi biara sana me sumu ni kakra
mate bedase na oso din dey say
bidin ni kojobuku
a ofri hin na ba ha
me wo keje Dubai
okay na je say keje traders no muko na amate no o ka ho bi
me ka ho ba
adentia
ni nyina ne say ye hwa Ghana ha ye penipa ba ko a watimi abi adwuma ama mabura nya bia ya almost 7,000 plus ai wono ko an adwuma wa bia ono say nipa ye fe no na bo Kennedy Agyapong enti na na wi a wo be hunu say edwadifo edu race course ebu keje tia bantama eni kroma njina mpatase ene yaka ya ho boma ya say ye mre ne adaje anapate ni crop ene ekosia wadum ene ya twen ya be si samle ye dia ba hai enti ye wa ha na ya resrede ene don kobi ene ye babo ye papa Kennedy ene ma delegate for the dikati ye sra wo mo ye de ye ne omuni bibia ya resrede ene ye be se delegate say omun fa papa ne mre santa wanga sa ujira wai wo danse be bra wo betime e dia fa no ho emwa wo de bua nipa enti to hu ye wa ha na e don komi ene ye babo ye papa Kennedy ewo
me da say oba bra na me no nwie odi ne say
me patche frame me gift
na so wo he
me patche mo pizza tedu
oh okay like I said you the folk no ka
me patche
adentia
se ebrewe no ye hu say aloya fo aba MP for aba ba sa blewe de ye hu say ye dwadifo e na aba eluti ne enso enya nkabo mu no odo say ye de aba de wo se ye de odobodom ni ye boa ma ye papa nso ba di se oba ye enso enim say dwadifo ye ho beto ye
bedase oba bedase pa bedase oba oso din dey say
e fe ma abrantwiwa
na afri hin
mi fi braman
ana odru hai
me patcha
adentia
Kennedy hudo me patcha
na wo to abade bi
me patcha me delegate
we are delegate
me patcha
I was so me ha
I was so me 12 years ni
why delegate 12 years
me patcha
to ma Kennedy
papa that one for quarter center me ka hubi me di mutintin bai me na mu krasi akra ye campaign me pani for ha budi madanse me na mu krasi a me tete kuo ni bi see a baby Kennedy so because my swans you my swans am who dey mu aduro na who say Kennedy na ba e be ma edwadie ne e ma ba wa ne mrante ara sum adwo mo eti me ma dwo me de me ho ama Kennedy ensuo mo awie mo me di Kennedy achi kopim say obenya ma pani na sa me bo beto me yam
mate me da say Medasinte ono de watu na mu to akyerɛ mu sɛ ɔyɛ delegate awɔ so a mempɛso ayi so na ɔno kora de wafa to no ho so a wɔnam ɛtwe dɔm ɛde ama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Ɔbɛni odi de sɛ afami na na kwasi wɔkyere na ofiri he na waduru ha yi. Me wɔ so abi ya post office. Okay, mo na mo yɛ so a me mazi fo no a mo ati ko ama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Ɛde kura ai. Okay, mo yɛ dodo sɛ. Sɛ yɛ 20. Mo yɛ sɛ 20. Mo ti yɛ akyɛ. Dabi. That 3 days ya no mati ko. Oh, okay. Ada nti na mo ati sɛ ko. Me pɛma na hyɛ. Ɛna wɔ yɛ business man. Wɔnim sɛ de youth no yɛ pɛ. Ɛnu ti ne yɛ ke ho bɔ mo a. Sɛ yɛ nipa dɔm ne nyinaa ba sɛ me fo mo di nka ho. Ɛnu ti ɛne abɛgyina yɛ twɛ no. Nti yɛ de list raba. Or the list of more members, you know. Yeah, I think I did 20 aba. I tried to remember Caho. I better my in it. Now, my idea, apart from Kennedy, what about my gun here? Because I say, person in Yagu. I go, then you people, I would have quoted about the actual. Would have quoted about the post of watch. Comment. And that's already a papa. Yeah, can. It's all passes on the poster now. Yeah, no crummy up at the buyer. Me twa no ansa na mafiri akọ na nya mebu asande so makosia no kocha santa mate yeda se ti we ye mazi fo no a wo matiko e de ama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no no che sa wo ye 20 or the list din gina eduru ha opere usu free hin no eduru he
yeah me fi Bantama constituency me a polling station secretary
polling station secretary na che sa wo ye delegate ya obeto abani bi
me delegate pa and na me police station nipa 5 ni nyina no ye beto am block for Kennedy Agyapong
who declare say o police station your friend say
Romakali police station awa adoato admanu
adoato and police station executives in year 5 and o declare say one of executives 5 ni nyina beto e dey am Honorable Kennedy
Agyapong nyina members of Die Hard supporters of Ken nti eni abrepa because Ken there yamfana ma breaking the 8 no ebe difficult amai because election na ye kono with the obetimi aye bibi and so far no Ken o my president no wa ye nyuma bebre amwa say or the can do spirit into believe we say ono ne ba ni nyuma ba wa bie no to be president a obetimi standing more currently I can say omo party ni mo a omo pe abano why na so betimi a chance single-handedly otuani pay 7,000 plus on a monthly basis can contribute to the economy because 7,168 employees you know obia to your averaging 10 cities tax crown is cut to the government and still oguso adwuma enti kan dia ono na de ne ba
but I say or a polling station executive wo Bantama baton pesua so and ono so edene de atumu no opene so din dey say
Bacho ye frame me Benjamin Abe
free hin e odru hey
Bacho me so me so am constituency
we here there was so am constituency
Bacho me organizer our polling station
be
Happy Day polling station
was so am constituency
Bacho
you organizer
Bacho
now pe there ha
Bacho Honorable Ken ho don tina me wa ha
na say yes mo no amoye executives mukuta position wa party no money ade no mamu declare say ebia mota we echi ana say mo do we arentina mo yes sir
oh say your regional chairman recently and declare baby you no support
anti musuosia no
enti ye di na mo echi yes di odi echi no osia di odi ka na antie
okay it also odi asem na woka one polling station executives no declare to send here secretary by any day yana
me pacho me dey me na me declare nti omo maka no me go so ne omo kasa but me hwe ahofama ne odo papa Kennedy word ma oman ya na just say I was say me yi makoma na me so me ya adwuma the support no because ye hwe omo a epre na me hu de wo yi na akoma mu se opese oye bibi de ma oman no because na bon Kena hwe 37 military hospital OC cardiothoracic center OC de ama oman no obi anya ebisa nti me feel say papa no wo man no ho do because that be a man mpanimfoɔ yare a ɔmo fa plane no ɔmo kɔ aman foforɔ so but say wɔn ayi na akoma m sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ na saa de ne free hɔ de a na yɛ sɛ me feel sɛ ɔman no ho do
mate medase ɔgana medase paa ɔpɛni nso din de sɛ
me yɛ frɛ me nana odenire ni
nana deɛ
odenire ni
a wofiri hin waduru ɛ
agona samani ba
agona samani tɔn
ba jɔ pa ko na mete mamponten asenua mbada asenua
na wo to aba ne bi
me na me asenua wa na mo no mamponten na me delegate ma me sɛwa ana ɔmo fa kwa bi so ɔno mani pipifo ne yi me free mu eti me ya ma dwene sɛ ɔmo yi me free
lusu na wo lusu
ɔmo na yi me free mu eti ya ma dwene sɛ me nto aba no kora bi me ne me yere ne me ma nyina ka ya to aba kora wo wi ase bi aso me tie sɛ kene Japan no a ɔsa aba no ana bibi kan ba kuma sɛ kene Japan pa na eba dia ɛna ba bia me hye biara me sɔre ma ba beto aba ma na
ba gi t-shirt ase
ba gi t-shirt ahe no me ne me yere ne me ma nyina
etu de onu fie nyina declare
fie nyina declare sɛ nkwala nwɔtwe me yere ka ho nkron me ka ho du me ma me ka ho du baako me papa ka ho du mienu o mu nyina me na me lidi wo mo me do mu nyina beto aba no
eti Kennedy wɔ 12 vote
ɛwɔ 12 vote ɛwɔ mi nsɛm na no de nni akwabra me kɔ
medase abrante also din de sɛ
din de Ibrahim Mumuni
na ofiri hin waduru
efiri Sene West
ɛno ɛwɔ Bono East anasa Bono
ɛwɔ
Bono East na woyɛ delegate ana
me a delegate polling station secretary
woyɛ police station secretary ɛwɔ Sene West police station bɛyɛ
Dada polling station
ɛdeɛ Dada polling station eti ɔmo hwɛ wɔ Sompa TV so ɔmo Sene West no ɔmo bɛhu sɛ asɛm a wokɛ sɛ yɛntwerɛ sɛ ɛno krom
ɛnokorɛ
ɛna wofiri Sene West tɔn no wadu
West ɛyɛ Kennedy ɛho dɔnti because wohwɛ na ne kasa nyinaa do ɔnhyɛ da ɛnnim polling station ɛyɛ secretaries ne nyinaa but wohwɛ ne kasa no a ɔkama ɛyɛ delegates no yɛn a yɛwɔ fam no the grassroots ya yekura ɛyɛ party no
ɔkama asɛm ma
ɔkama yɛ asɛm ɛma yɛ nti na ma tua kasika from Sene West ana meba ha
nti wota me twuku atwɛn sɛ wobɛhu ɔno abɔ Kennedy Agyapong
de twɛn no
ofiri Sene West ɛna waduru ha yi ɔse ɔyɛ delegate a ɔbɛto aba o declare ne support the amount of Kennedy Agyapong. Many are quaba.
Fine, friend.
Now, didn't say
your friend I could see a champon.
I could see a champon free him.
If I told me free chronom, a soldier. Now, my friends of Kennedy Agyapong. You could know, me a member, a woman. Now, Messiah importer. Now, you who say Ghana Hano, Obi Obetimi Aye, Jumano, and Tia Kuya. Say a back from a delegate for no Atinase. Sentini say, Yatra lawyers, our Ghana ha. Yatra doctors, our ha. Yatra politicians, our ha. Na Kennedy dear, or your politician cum businessman. And the businessman for no what yasamase. And now what yes to answer. Ye do tia, Yanin. So, and I Ghana has no say, ye any pa, why no quaffo. So now what the pay and Ghana discipline a free her and you hear any password or tired discipline the Ethiopian and the idea yes ye ko na ya kunya ho e the American e say e kwa bia so obeba MPP for delegate betina tum ama Ghana de onya begina de a ya wie pepepe say obedi nkunim
mate mamenya last two in na me nanema o man here wo studios na onelo ya monto aso. What's that didn't say?
Me didn't know Aji William here.
I'll free him what drew hey.
Afija Secretary East.
Afija Secretary East. Aguna okay. Who your delegate?
Yeah. Me coordinator.
Okay.
Coordinator ewo Afmaso electoral area.
And what drew her? Obacha on Abo Kennedy Agyapong wagi the t-shirt yase.
Yes. Me try can din. Masa Ghana how ye hear dreamers hear thinkers, you hear doers. Now, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, or your dreamer, or your thinker, and our doer. That's why I like him. And nothing I'm your and he can't me kwakura me de be ho ama no
mate me da se mama nya intentiam ma hu se kwala bi gina ha na opane usu din de se tiawa
me pato e frem boama
adentina wa ha we fro de
boama me name na
mate ate adentina wa ha
o kintina mo ha me ya police station chairman
e wo he
e wo so ame 505 takwa
505 police station takwa
yeah
so ame
ana so ame ke campaign team no me sa ka ho bi
okay
yeah
okay mate me da se opane uso
Mediane Francis Boadu na de kan chiaso ngokoma me chairman Richard Yawboaten kan Japan tina mo ha honorable
chairman Richard Boaten we chairman we
o akra san me kan no one ye penny ba me ade free afija kwa brain off chichere Kandapa constituency yes me a delegate manager o de oko why say the obeni
okay
etumo si won na eba no
me da se pa eno bra odin dey say
your friend me Patricia Peters
wow we fantini ana
me pa cho me nya fantini me kunu ye broni nti na me nya asadin
ayo na free hin na wadru he
me pa cho me free Amsterdam ton na me be hia kan wa ha
hey bogus ni ngina baby
me pa cho ya follow ni sa ye twen no enti me ba na beti se wo be kumase enu enti na me ba be pesa di mani hu na nkasa na de Amsterdam for de asoma me ka kire no
mate kasa
aha wana buka Agyapong o kan quote brasa why guy what's here me obofo gebla o ti gebla ba area obofo do so ame asere mai ah sha me brasa mo kan kura me ya ko ke ere be wona meti ase o ah me ya papa ba o kan kura e po da kan kura we do kan kura rough what's up ya
edo anu no mame ko kwala no ho mame ko kwala no mame mo free
ahojo
mo group no ye de o see new generation ye de
yeah young na yeah adwuma no yeah obi o ya principal obi o be boa ye eti e delegate na
brand say kakra mame
yeah young no me na 36 years e man ni mo ayedin so ye hu obi an na ye din obeka nokre eti na me free ahojo run about aduha just to support Honorable Kennedy Agyapong because enya easy so yan kan nokre na ye obi a na ni ade to say JJ Rollins Ghana cannot sustain. And see, we are asking the delegates, please vote for him.
Medase, Agota Munsom.
Okay, we are back in the studios now. Mami fan to just say Sources Radio UK is live. Strong Voice Network is live on Facebook. And the more Strong Voice Network. Also move to me. I am now Sources Radio. Oma Fire live for UK. Actually say. Omo chegu mama UK just say hot jinada aseta domino na me fan to anim say Terawan TV yeah live also is digital say uni TV and our digital TV I just scan you have Terawan TV Sompa TV on multi TV DJ box no obenyan on satellite Sompa FM 93.1 Sompa FM 98.9 Sunyani and then NAP Radio Asin Fosu, Ash FM in Kumasi, and NJ FM at Ejra. Womunina FI Live. We are exclusively live also on Sompa 93.1. That is on Facebook and on YouTube. AS Sompa TV. I've just been informed. So very soon, Honorable Bebadi can say na I was so good. Juma soon. Kesebi or Cape Coast. Na yanyanti say omatremo twem kra anwan kwanta police escort the neighbor gidintino we are waiting for him here mame ene opoku amponsan twenkomo oboku
legend
one say MPP from 92 omu peja omu ba akoye to say obi onuma na sem nyina ne say oye founder okay wabɔ bra wɔ party nim ye ka omo pagya party no mra na mrema aye ma ojina brane obuwa de na hoden ne kasa ne organizational skills obuwa de ne sika. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, what has been his impact from the days of NPP? Because Obi Ohodoma, or a young man, or a delegate, or didn't fear bear 25, or not 30 years. NPP crying in the channel. And be crying now. And say 2000 I told Obama Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Man, I sing enough MP no, and buy that's why your bugger no about beji post say bugger CB ba on beji post no about betra hanom no oka omo shase e ho ana mami chew
o my mami na wase na yen chia tifo ni ahwefo na menka se mpenifo sisi ekutwa na akobi na ye kwesene na akobi a ye de bo abudi na wote ni nyina ne se the New Patriotic Party aye MPP amanyuku no Ira Professor Dubu Ahenom ni Raje Kufonom Ira JH Mensanum as far back as the 1991-92 omo boabo omo say omo beti the New Patriotic Party no na omo eni daso ne say ombenya mabunu bia say bi omo so adipa kakra omo di bibia si a se to apentia ye beto nsa afre omo na omo so di bibi abeso party na se na the New Patriotic Party and sana ye beti kra no na e wo se Ira J Rollins a sabre na o yeso jaban no e wo se yetime kekan e ho okwan bi so eno na ma Professor Dubu Ahen or any the title say the culture of silence ono no ma e break here fi se sabre na be ma bia ni Ghana ha se bi otimi kasa kire na dwen se amamu a Ira J Rollins ebu no excesses e wo mu no e ha Ghana fo nti e peka bi ma me ka bi ti Professor Dubu Ahen no kekan o mo ho a omo trade series of articles in the publications no na Papa Rollins so also call United States of America okodru ho no na wo say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ne a group of young men who akudru sabre no original no mo ye demonstration they were not demonstration about 30 tomo no so demonstration sabre wo say bi soja ban nipa odi ani me Jerry Rollins na wa ba America na wo ho na wo kope bra bi abo no wo se me kwa demonstration ti asa nipa we na ko yes a demonstration we kra wo be de no aba ukrum Ghana and so Honorable Kennedy Agyapong we take sa risk no e be kan sa nipa kakra bi na e ye demonstration it a Jerry Rollins e wa America no omu wie ye a ye beti the New Patriotic Party no e no say party no kwan be na mo be fa so abobenya sika kra na ye de aye party ni hye na party ni so ye ko bobosia sabre $3 million na party New Patriotic Party ko bobosia eno achi no na Honorable Kennedy Agyapong sa tu ni botom yi ni sika $300,000 $300,000 in 1992 $300,000 1992
hold on 1992
yeah
$300,000
or the command flag bearer Professor Dubu Ahen we Miami Club Jabe this year say na would party nanim dia Jesus sika we na fa ball campaign ho bra
$300,000 1992
Honorable tumira no achirisi ti o kan no yi dance e o se mo pa mo ko bisa Fredo Ware wo hu na penifo se wo bo abrewa na wuti adoma kuma sem ena no ye de yenka bi nhemu ne ete se papa bi Dr. Nyahota Makuro wakoka ze na Kennedy se opeso di president e den why am party no e ho na sansem no sha se AP enti party no ko bo $3 million ina no ye call ye president Professor Dubu Ahen oni Jerry Rollins kusi ani antentam ye dinto party na ho afa ne atia okobo bosia ukọ election wasa lusu kwan be na befa so abitu escala e ho Kennedy Agyapong sabre young man honorable no me ye MP e ho na osi masosa akadi $3 million no
why they
oni ne partner e friend opon bio bisa bio say o ma so party ne kam
$3 million
party no sebi na so my okobo bosia na wentiment ya Ajapade adekosi awwa ayi no collateral no eno na ye gifri wo
eni si hu
MPP so de sabre ne ye wo kra be enye sure say dan papa bi kra ne obi enso say madia tum say me ne me partner opon bio $3 million eni ni si hu no ye betua it took them 8 solid years.
Hey.
And omutia sesika a paper MPP ferry in 1992.
Which means by the time I Jacob for echo election 2000, no mutia MPP $3 million.
$3 million in Sabre. Or then a company friend is super care. And the could yes,
what
businessman all yen a Juma pen and faso. I fed there was no mind to who's a sebi, one hour for any honorable Kennedy Japan. And a Sabre, and now we have a penny, no Ababecatos offer. Me party, Kobo Bosia co election. Anye na me ne odwen ho ma me adwene me pese ka me kotua sa $3 million in
ma anu sisumna so kobeka sa akai akai
o ma me cry dia akabeka say abuto so and I just obi on person be kan no kre then so papa kan since so paper and
8 years
the 8 years
$2
and ya me bisa me ho say eti super care no profit say no mutumi emeki ye aside your friend say $3 million in interest or muku tia MPP ubeko na o man ntimi anya profit bia ti sabre no 8 years no in the life of the business no or the year juma chair the new patriotic party yes ade ni nyina wie no amana so every election at NPP akubia open one of the financiers of the election and as of the party untimi gi honorable fee.
So the party refund.
Oh, party wo dom na po se unpese party na ni begu ase wakobo busi amasom me ne me partner ye tua ama party a wo se party refund ade a party ya ne se wo de krata e ma honorable say ya dance die se metua watua sika ama party dia e na yen so ye dawase enti ho friend say certificate of appreciation ene wo ho na say party ni refund say sika ndie be si ne honorable and sika na fi party ni ho say pickups are pickups wotumi gina ne name top pickups be 124 na party na ankasa kra no from party no coffers no enso ato about 124 ono ne 124 no ba no atu ne botuma yi sika no wa ye duty de yi ni nyina party 124 no yenye sika mpu fa no no asa mobilize MPP4 na we koyi mienu na we akotua no yi miensa omu yi ya make about 40 of the pickups na enye obi mpo mani kotua ka eno no kro ya no abo Kennedy Japan kro ya esan ko hu maami ya na anu ya labianka maami one ne kan ya maami ne se nya hwe metua no no so tua duty for the 40 pickups etu po obi a wotimi tu ne botom yi sika doso po de boa MPP amanyiku na ondwen benkum ni nifa se hwan ne gina ho hwe honorable Kennedy Japan and sometimes assembly cause of party ni na or can with passion me teach ni de me hu ni say o man se me businessman na me de misika my invest misika obibi mu na se obi teach na on na also take decision and making sure say me investment no enco the drain na se the decisions are all taking the actions and inactions be man misika na me de awura mu no ayekwa ubi se me kama no atum
debi
akasa because directly nyame na me hwe say investment no ebe yield returns wo ne dey ase won sa na wo you are sleeping on the job na me ti odi it's honorable etiem na okasa with passion
now I understand
exactly
why he can speak to the party the way he speaks to them
exactly
because acquired to say ahochire no twere so a busu ekohwe nanim
good
na oboa no enema gina ompe bibia monhwe se party ma bedi yie no na omo gina positions akese no edwene wo mo ho at the expense of the grassroots enti won say interview kakra ye wase ho no omo ba no dodo na ye MPP delegates a omo wase ho
exactly
omo say ono no musu a omunisioko duro no.
That's right.
Why are they not talking about regional executives talking about just say
share say my your political party e dey ade a enipakuo bi a omadwen isai e wade ba akoso na o mani so ade hunu nti no o mo se ye kobonto a akere oman bi ana enipakuo bi na so o mo gi entum
ye share video ya na honorable Kennedy Japan na atono ni nisuo a all suma party omo grassroots yete
build the party people and stop giving contracts to NDC for we are no mako chesika as if say we are not in power. Why? All right, so those mistakes, Debbie, I salute the women in the party. They've done marvelously well. And the grassroots, the youth, send me almost here boom modern or Peduma, or no so I done me. Munya is a mukwana muti democracy. I'm for NDC for against MPP. And yawa be bredi no. So who feel I go away NDC. One no, Peduma, Yafano. Na wa breno yeah omo nam wiram eye wenyina GRA almost stop ade no mo yam finance minister should stop it select and I use the word select omo kire enyansa select the MPP people that went into the bush please select and you go na democracy make sure you maintain your core 45% with the development you will get the 7 and you always win. Namu democracy I say namu pie nyuma NDC for the bia your party nso ma nkwala why these are some of the mistakes I'm pointing it out. Okay, you declare papa na wie and it's all a surprise say MPs no elusu MPs they were not resourced until the last minute. I've said this since 2018 say kamuma MP bia adwuma 2 million cedis onfa enko the constituency and yet say ya page 2 million contract of 2 million cedis onye no nya 300,000 na on function
yes well babi tio baba mema lawyer kusi akwaba lawyer dem pom to say
yes we shame
metimi say sure dem so free court to buy a cranche
chair buy of the month the second day by a special day the clients in my park you must you madura that's right
what catch the clients in asa masa
make bo amania second day but ntimi nya adwuma
e to free court one na say there
ntimi ba ma bo ni chidom ntini e ba ha no in fact I'm the cram man me say me kan kire ni say omu tie na chi say offer
every dominion chambers baba o che abi che
enti epedifo say aprawake to hu aprawake say abobo lawyer ba ide say lawyer for na imi nti school boys say ye enti de na me kan nyina ne say honorable Kennedy Agyapong utie video yi mu nsem yi a de uhu ni say ayete ejako ni mu a obo yade ye o ye me papa na sem bia na anu me ko no ka kire me so waye nyum bia afi na eba na nyum ni din de abusua ti na o kire me anyum ni mu asem e na o se aboa bia e fre no oha sa aboa no o si so obo ne bra o kwaye mu no wonam kwaye mu ana o hia kusi a na o de ne ho akobo kusi na kusi mfimu a aye srosro no na ono so anya bi wonam ana o hia aprawa na o de ne ho akobo aprawa e na de aprawa me nuane o na aprawa chi aye bebre no na ono so anya bi onama no kusia prenkensima na ni pepin na ono so anya bi enti wode saa yonkogro ama oto abusua atwene enti bra o ha nyini ye no wuye no afi na ne madda no omo twen se ne papa abusua fo beba na o betimi asie no omo te wa obi ama e na omo aka se ya papa se de ne mfimu tie die o se kusie ti mo me fa furi nko kusie ho na bia na kusie nnuane ye papa omo ko kusie ho kusie se ampa ye hwe papa mfimi a ode seme nanso wo de woda ho a wawukura mo hwe nani pepe mo fa no kwa prenkensima oni bia na ni nuane a prenkensima ye ma no so ne de ne kwa prenkensima ho ikodu a prenkensima ho wo hwe nani pepe no wo se ampa mo papa nani pepe ne de ode seme nanso wo hwe nachi a ye wewure ya wo sa prawa eti mo fa no kwa prawa obi a na ni nuane a prawa omde ne kodu a prawa ho a prawa hwe ne saa wo se ampa mo papa achi wewure de ode seme nanso said dem papa ase na wotu fem no was apantia ati mo fa ne kwa apantia ho enti emo de saa na afi sabi ifru ne sei ena ne ma no ema so no mkosie enti se aboa oha wi na se ne masie no abraye ntimi anya na abrimpon yi a ne firi ayonkogro kro ya so nti na aboa koto wanya tiri enti we kire se ye nto abusu antwere enti New Patriotic Party na ya manyoku a the vehicle a ye de kwaji 2 million no ana me kyerɛ sɛ political party ne nipaku a yɛaboa yɛn ho na yɛadwen sae wɔ kwan bi so na yɛsi yɛni so ade hu ne sɛ yɛnkɔ bɔntoa na sɛ nipa no to abama yɛn a yɛso so yɛtumi abebu ɔman no na sɛbi sɛde medi kaka yɛkɔtwa na mekɔ bi ne yɛkɔsɛ na mekɔ bi a afei yɛde bɔ mabɔdin a wɔsɛ mente npp foɔ yɛsesa yɛagu kaa mu no yɛanhwɛ obiara certificate power ne ba wie deɛ a yɛsɛ lawyer de ne cv aba George Wuti Edusɛ Memorial Farms enti no de gyina akyiri ansa ne yɛhwɛ abukulɔnfoɔ no ansa honorable sɛ woka ho ne ɛne wokɔyɛ campaign na party ne ba ban mu a enti bra wobɛkae a Delta Forces for ho nsɛnsɛm bi baeɛ na ɛnya party pani bi ma ne nka bi ma ɔmo yɛtoɔ ma sawram te sɛ deɛ sɛ bi mprɛduasa party ne korɔ ɔmo nyɛ hwee ma yɛn ɛnso yɛkae sɛ 2016 prior to 2016 yɛbɛto aba wɔ Ashanti Regional wobɛte yɛafa ballot box wobɛte hooliganism yɛde motor abɛsi ha saa nneɛma no nyinaa 2016 yɛnhu bi because there was a certain Kennedy Agyapong a na wɔyɛ in charge of operations a region to region ɔyɛ saa nhyehyɛeɛ ne sɛ de bɛyɛ a yɛnnuanom Delta Forces for yi ɔmo bɛtumi abɔ yɛn ballot ne ho ban ɔmo bɔ ho ban wie na party ban na ɛsan kusan ɔmo a na obiara to ɔmo agyegye mu ɛnam sɛ papa ne ka no krenti ɔkɔndɛme ɔmo owie na ɔsɛ wo a wobɛka sɛ yɛnim saa afo no biara me ne ɔnya agye yɛne ɔmo na ɛyɛ adwuma no that is the kind of leader yɛka no asɛm baabi a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔgye mfomsoɔ tom no ɔgye tom hwɛ woyi video baako a ɔkyerɛ kwan a wɔfa so a wɔsi cardio center yi
I was so impressed when he said say where am Mr. Mo and from so on free me
yes
me na 2021 sikasɛm no ne nneɛma bi amkoye na contractor ne deɛ ni nneɛma a ɔyɛ nyinaa no ɛda na kwam sika ka ne nsa a ɔbɔ adwuma na mfomso ne frɛ me how many politicians even who kura ne nsɛm kura no ɔsɛ deɛ ɔbɛbu man no a wamu ne yie ɛna ɔsɛ man no after 6 years na politician da so blame opposition after 6 years after 4 years na incumbent after 4 years no opposition so started blame game he just said it I was just watching say mfomso no we die efiri me enye contractor no contractor say what Ghana have be so say de omo car bo na finance minister issue statement say omo issue certain amount na contractors na ba say enye no kra yen sankan abey up and down sir in the presence of everybody camera or say away from so way there efreme which means this man can openly tell Ghanaians momfan cheme mafum
yeah
for no see na me ko ona
enti de man no see no na no lawyer kusi ni colleague baako ebai na okan asem bi a me de ato metrim o say the ordinary Ghanaian is tired of the ordinary politician. Ghana forces here the ordinary voters now wo ho sisia no. Ya bre the ordinary politicians are almost wo ho. But Honorable Kennedy Agyapong oye a certain breed of politician oye unique or that strong kwa Ghana ha no wuyi na unya ne sesu biem. Enti se nipa ba ko atime gina ne nan so ama ne nsa no nnwuma wa biebie the aduane isi nipa over 7,158 epono so dia se bi mpredo as a delegate yen kwa agina na ebua
all right la yakusi akwaba ebio na bibia aboko de
se na me kan no yesu hwe boko pa yesu hwe
de na ohu o Honorable Kennedy Agyapong wonye nipa ketwa beka na sa we obia oye lawyer kunni ye ka santimantem ha Ghana ha eda nchen so a yamsuro oye sofo enti me nkaka se we na na me ni nkomo na dia sa is a reverend minister onye pastor why there na mema openly wakasa sa African
Agyapong. There's an error in our politics. There's an error in our politics.
And from Swokes here.
From Swokes here, power politics. Na my prayer share solution na me nyabi. Kennedy in his political life on car say ope President Dida. In fact, ministry appointment was one of the umpe. Enti Emra Kennedy a jitum so obey lead country permission that free confirm say no cre and I say atisem na response na mnya say ampa na say ne yate there. That's right. I have found a solution to the error. Ade na ayira wo ye politics mu na ya hwehwa ye hu ye nya nipa bia ya nyem no bosom enkono ya wo sa asu no ne ban ne bi no. We have it in Kennedy. That's right. Enti me se me tumi hu asi ho na ma bode wuro baby o se me wura bia me wura ka kire Ghana for say especially in the first instance MPP for say stromada mo munye mistake. Say Kennedy free na to take another generation to see another person who's like Kennedy. And we can afford to lose this opportunity. Yen to abama obi me lead, ye to abama leader. Yen to
abama obi me di kind. Ye to ma kandi for.
Yes. No no di ye kind.
And I say unfortunately ye to abama nkrofo mama be di anim. Ba yen to abama kandi for.
Enudie.
Obesua akanie.
We have na akanie obesua. But where dey wadi kind in his private capacity. Ena Yahunu say one already made. And the only day man who di anim. So yen experiment. Especially MPP. Me assure say by the time we finish with our campaign, we should have 90% of the votes.
Fantastic.
Because there's no reason to vote for any other person but Kennedy. And penso e wo mu yen nyina yenim. Say edumra ayanibrisem. It's either we rescue Ghana or we leave it to distraction. There's only one person, and he's in the person of Ohene Agyapong. Or a forthright, you buy video say yes, and yes, sir. I've said this somewhere. Say diplomacy has failed us.
Yeah,
and we are not going for any diplomat to come and continue with that kind of politics. It's not helping us.
As a guard of honor,
yes, it's not helping us. And the end, this is the sister. The problem of Ghana is leadership, but nothing else. But acquire a first leader, no. It started from the schools. The caliber of people we choose as leaders, we start from school. Who Timika Bravo, yeah, the two Abama, as he believed. Yeah, say unimu brabo, say unimu bo.
Or to a third year so come.
Exactly.
Not like the moi. No, school prefect.
School prefect. We need.
Some questions.
Yeah, building our national politics. And we choose people not because they can help us. Look, I've said in this part of the world, yeah, preoccupation with creation of wealth. Your policy, you know, a creation of wealth. Yeah. The legal regime is okay. We need somebody who can lead us to create wealth. And yeah, speeches, nay, but not at all. And so we have this man who has, in his own private capacity, created it. Ye nyuma, na me say niema wa ye wo Ghana ha no. La na me ba na me ka chi obi se me bo asikafo aba Ghana ha bi ekọ. Ya na efizo msika kra de. Obi anu wa try sa de ni bi da. And look, what is important is them no yes are not necessarily the ideas to be the president. So you can see that is who he is. He has the passion for GH. And that if in his private capacity, just as an MP, or person niema ko ye utimi free the constituency ba Accra, be see search you know ba Kumasi and the best be donate. He goes beyond his constituency. And he's a national figure, even though nobody has elected him to represent the nation. He represents the nation. Now you know opportunity na papa say me who see wa Ghana for 8 years, please. Let us run.
Jawodi Osanka delegates ni tumrikana.
Now go to Amahwai. Masaka say.
Oh, thank God.
Ohene Agyapong.
Finally, he's here. Papano Edruha. Ohene Agyapong is finally here. Now, Mikapa 1010 was saying, I don't want to disappoint my people.
Yes.
I won't say Gaiji Munina Jim. Chese mo share there ebia o ka say o share na o kwaba ka say you missed this history this morning this evening no pano Eti promoting the cow ho pa. Say over join us live on Facebook. Now the man in the evening. Now bibi anko so. Just say traffic jiremu wo hono ne ade. Ene ensem e koso me hu se bo ma wo form hono mo. And he comes so simple.
Simple.
Shadio. Ko betimi the convoy be 20. Na cars no be
and the car team president grant
also be president and the convoy abros were 5.
Honestly they work can obey you.
Also 5. It's funny. No, no, Kasa
Canada, Japan.
Sit down.
Oh, take us back there.
Jumara. I compare.
Very simple, very simple. Look at that. Very simple.
Ever said that Ghana independence?
Look. Hey. Look at the crowd. They just love it.
Beautiful.
Oh.
Sompa is amazing. What a bouquet. Oh my goodness.
This is well organized.
Wow.
Wow.
Very well organized.
Okay, and lawyer, wrap it up, mommy. Now, I'm on for a chain.
Omo mene ne pri ni nyina obe take leadership a obe form adwuma ye nyi obi a emfiri mu omo mo expertise no wo hwe omo ne omo pro obi a ye for obi adwuma no o esele ye but ye ka adwuma wura de a Kennedy omo maka ne employees obe ba be form on be ye adwuma nso aboa no Ghana nso betumpon expertise the MPP wo ye program ne project nyina Kennedy be make sure say ya to aso ama nkunim di aba.
Eti some pasro ha na woba na mesramona ante monko
Ghana man yantu
wo me hwe ade bani oni fie wo ha na nipa kro ka me ho ka chem se fie bi wo akire ho no ma efra say la meta akire ho no ma
no kure ne ho de na nyame de
okay
fie ne de nyame de my girlfriend and a kohai ho
okay
nti ho de na nyame de
na de na ya wo ka no kresa
na de nti na onisa because ye obi e hwew nti me di trope obi be for correct na agumanu ase. Why would I claim for it if it's not mine? Exactly opposite Otum for wife.
Yes.
Anya me fear. Anya me girlfriend in Sofia or Corrente.
And somebody will not say this truth. Dear Nema Kanokre, honorable.
Obanyini, O Kanokura be one Kanokura be the Kanokre. And it will set you free. You see, man Kanokra me embarrass me. Obi ba beba bichiro. O buy now, o di picture hrem. O there be minim ho. Obi wa many are from Kwamena. And the Kwamena o ti bantma efia na ti wusu nim ho. You know, because oti won na nipa bi so ti ho. Nipa nimo. Nti ene se nyame ayi wadom na wa free mu a na wo dan wa chia ma se nye wonam. No, I'm proud. You see, I have to associate myself with this building. Na she obi nkunan se. Asitina bia wutimu no. Baby a wutie no. Wa ankasa. Obo homodin a. Obetimi afiri mu akoye bibi kese achensa. I stand for hope. The person Ghana ni bia hwe me na efie ya wo show e just obi anu oti efie semu edware abonten enne ono no oba Ghana fo ase wo madaji ebegina ha etwen no enu hye obi nkunan but samiba na me best forget about this, I don't even know, please obi begu animasi odi ase selfie no a very nice home inti sami begina ha bedwamanum say a part of me fear. If you ura ebi anu ohwe program, he can phone in and say so honorable can we there adabraka if you know there. So I have to tell you the truth. Me fear banners, even banners near twice 1 2 3 ni na media. Also turning baby a otumfo fear wa run about. I want to see the new house. O turn left is there. Oko odeno ho kwadaso. Mienu ebom bakuni. Oba amekom baby am more you ya nechi asafo anaza amekom whatever you go. I have houses scattered all over the place. But Makoto apartment and bar na my bedroom here until I finish the new house.
Abono nsia pa me ti dunum. Mene honorable Kennedy akompreko Agyapong etwetwe nkomo. Honorable wabrabo yetie enkomo wo fom ho. Omo kasa nyina omo amego nyina ye adwadifo. Omo se omo ogidie wo mu say you can run Ghana like a business because you have proven it. Omo tonton bojua omo se we omo dia businessmen omo wosro e woso amagisi omo ye odia. What is it with you business acumen ema Ghana mebunu ye beba mebunu so but with the business aspect I say all Ghanaian business people say they have faith in you. What is it?
Yeah, they have faith in me because say me humble beginning echiro say obia otena say fie mu from ase dompembe kumase ni papa teacher ni betena ha na enne waton nioma. Let me tell you, emra me was secondary school na me ton ade o street so ye makwanya me maame na oton ade o table so panyini bi ofira gogo ye friend Kwaku Donko me store anim the next person to us Mr. Jivon so the bicycles twa Ghana who shells it there be no shows ti sa store me running tem
ɛna me maame ante first ania na me maame ni ɛno ɛmaa mmienu ɔmo aka table ɛsi anim ɛna ɔmo ahyehyɛ wɔn mu nneɛma wɔ so ɛna ɔmo tɔn ti yɛma kwan ba na ma kɔfa nneɛma no bi na me de agu me bobɔ board bi saa na me de agu so na me nam na me tɔn yes PK chocolate Tatra Nazet yes Rob PK egu so Rob ay yɛde twitwi ɛho egu so Tatra blade
yeah
oh ɛna Nazet ayɛ sɛ crocodile
crocodile bi saa yeah
so ɛna chocolate ɛna me de agu so na me call round normally eduru anwumre bɛɛ 7 so a yɛkɔdidi ewia 7 o'clock ɛti kokomlemle ne nam Prince Way Hotel nom ɛno nso wokɔ a wobɛhu sɛ blue light bi obi ne girl hyɛ hɔ a na we are nuisance to them ebi afei na ɔrapo girl no nso akɔnya yes PK yes chocolate you know sometimes PK ɔbaa no bɛyi bi ato n'anum chocolate obeyi bi ato n'anum saa na yɛde graduate me I will give credit to Kwafuo boys a many wɔn na ɛkɔ school a wɔn papa ɔpanyin Kwaku kyerɛ ti ebi ɔkɔfa bucket aluminium bucket yɛ graduate from PK no yɛde kɔ aluminium bucket ɛna yɛ friend lead bar saa lead bars no ɛyɛ bɛyɛ na ntiantia na utwitwa ɛna yɛde yɛ etua boba
yeah
ɛna wire yɛde sum afidie
yeah
odi ase yɛ graduate na hɔ na yɛduru tie bi ɔwɔ a me fa sɛ nneɛma no na me de kɔ fosu instead sɛ fosufo na ebedi dwa no ɛba no na me de nneɛma na to ɔmo Mr. Joshua me maame nua bi araba you know na me nam na me to ɛna cutlasses crocodile machete ne nam ne yɛtɔn ti me bɛ wie school si na me yankasa me wɔ palm plantation ma dɔ
wobɛ wie form 5
me wie upper 6
form na wɔ palm plantation
yeah
abefuo
yeah ɛwɔ kurom a etwa ɛde yɛ ɛnwo mimi sɛ me nim ɛnwo yɛ pa metimi atena ha awɔ abɛ no akyi mu ɛde asi so woyɛ no sɛ nkwan ba yɛmfa nam ntom bibia ntom na wo sa ani ɛnwo no wote ase wowie a wopɛ sɛ yɛhwam a na wode gye ni akye so kakra ansa na wode agu bɔto so no menim mmarakata nwene wonim rafia mat
yeah
mmarakata ɛkɔtwa ɛba a mɛtumi atena se anwene adeɛ no
ɛnɛ nyinaa wotumi nwene
ba me konya zi a metimi na kumase a me hum sa me no aduane no apa go me papa na no ho ofre but ompa bra bi abɔ sɛ ɔware a no ɔgya ti da bia me anam no aduane no o dia say one thing he did for me said now he likes good food and your oats you know but anye ya me kontra me krom na mani ya dende ha ne bo chacha sa race course papa bi e friend gia lasa e bi o wa bo chacha ne edi wa no wa you shirt na guso ne e bad boys so bandwa to ko aya ko ha do na ko wi ahwede gia lasa ko wi na ahwede one day o kire me nyonko ba ko no ode ne hine na ayi wo ho wadi twi ne to o ya se ye bokwa na e kwa ma bi o race course inside ho ye wache no na e kosisa nkyɛnsen no ma no ne ahuhurum e bi a wache no bo se sardine ni pɛ egu so wa pia gu nkyɛn survivor e bi a kɔ prempe college e wia ne akodi sope onim sope
yeah
omu adidi awie no one more drum kɛseɛ bi ehwie gum kɔkɔɔ ni beans
what the sopida
of course me your brefo diana obi tiwa office kana Japan ofiti ya na yeye hustle nipa hustle e okumase abonte so ni bi kuro mu you know I stand for hope nti sɛ adwadini bi ɛtie mi a ɔhu sɛ Ohene Agyapong ɛyɛ businessman a ɔstarted from scratch ɛnyɛ sɛ sɛbi me papa bi na ewu agya me anaa me maame na ewu agya me ɛna mehu no so mpɛn pii no obi a wabɔ no ho mmɔden a wantire ne ne mma wamfa bi a ana ɔfɛre koraa sɛ adwuma no a ɔno ayɛ ɛde ahwɛ ne ba no ɔbɛma ne ba no abɛyɛ bi nti wɔn wu a nipa bebree wɔn wu a no wɔn akyi wɔn yɛ adwuma no awu ayɛ basa nti me no I struggle on my own efiri ha ɛkɔ Germany mekɔ ɔhuru nkukuom ɛyɛ adwuma wɔ restaurant sɛ meyɛ Italian dishes ɛwɔ ha kyerɛw a ɔnyini me ɔhuru nkukuo no mu a ɛna me graduate me boss no ɛkyerɛ me how to cook the Italian dishes near tagliatelle, bolognese, spaghetti, just a pizza, everything. Me, I was a full cook. I was Germany. And Sana, what they call America. Call America. Call here Jumawo.
Baba Moro was here.
Yeah, the senior, no. First, me Juma was Zaro Bakery. Now one day, Baba Moro, na me see from na me nim sɛ ɔte building no ti na ɔyɛ me senior bebree yɛ me wɔ from 1 or from 4
ɛwɔ decided
right ti me hyia na senior na ha also wɔte 5th floor na me sɛ me te 6th floor and he did well for me ɔde me call the gas station ɔyɛ adwuma gasiteria first one yɛ 138 and concourse. You training me how to use the machine. They didn't name. Nam timi ya juma. You see, opeso ye we are here. And yes, sir, okoye 8 hours. If we na coffee, no akoda, no one no my. Look, the normal hours will be 8. If you want to succeed in life, you have to do extra hours than that. Maybe sababa. You see, no mono achewa America. Intino na DJ nyina wo kire me na me DJ. Ko baba na me sua free no. I can spin well. What I said this time and na twam. Na wo ba na me tiase na me spin.
Turntable no twitwa. You know what's up, man.
Baba re kire. You know. Ono e ko spin ya na ma take you over the shift. Into Monday me 8 hours. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 8 hours. Friday, 8 hours. No man, 40 hours. Saturday, me 24 hours. Sunday, me 24 hours. Inti a honu momo enya me permanent, you know, between me 88 hours a week. The permanent job no Zaro Bakery. Our a year bakery. Zaro no popular bakery a year. You plant to your trunk brodo no sana ya de hwehwe racks na truck abefako ori ase through that extra a year me year ya na me siska me nya 3,000 and I'm control car to taxi back baba na kire me how to drive me call America na me nim driving baba na kire me ba me to taxi no within 7 months na me taxi here 80. If say every month be I'm treat taxi $3,000 and I'm call auction no my call car no be 1,000 2,005 Chevy Caprice or Chevy Impala no my be trim partition me ya na the ama Ghana ni $40 a day inti 7 months no na me timinya $280 a day from 7 taxis. Me ankasa me the American every day. Ochumu time, me see $100. The weekends no a adwuma wom no. Friday night, Saturday, you make over 100, maybe a 150, 160. Inti 50 ni 60 na eguso for the weekend no. And I'm the tree me rent and me do so I sacrifice a lot. And I'm a mini say me me one day me Juma Christmas 24th night any 31st days bi a America taxi unyesika nkasa the 24th night me adwuma sa me $560 me straight 24 hours but the last hour no me drew Boston Road and 168 Enna Senegal ni bi a mistake obi fan black guy bi fan akwani see o dwane Enna oye mistake e see for me chasing na dem per manim pe
itio
yeah to kun me nam frɛ me di me phone frɛ we no e frɛ bi base na base no frɛ police say nipa ntia hɔ me ho po ya na and me say yeah, $560 a day is good money and I'm there me ko park me car ti my first house East Legon Ambassadorial Enclave
Sompa 93.1
me tree taxi and I'm the better if you know
Sompa FM
and my stepfather because my stepfather so or also so yani one sieska or pension Jubilee House baby a French embassy you know a ho soldier for na net you know a ho na my stepfather the last place or the call pension the one day Azuma Nelson on the ball boxing on the boss your friend Asa Mr. Asa and in phone call say your two Mr. Father and my mommy ya pack you me go up on the veranda so
Sompa FM
not new W Oba is coming to take over once you your pension kwa won go ni baby Timothy ya no ana fortunately ebunu bi no free dumosua a friend Fred Manson so no liquor shop yeah baby a ton sans hard you know in san no ding America for friend liquor shop enna me call ho ti a honam ko to Azuma Nelson ni manager Mr. Asa na me ka masem kire no to ohwe me age no ni scanner me board you know that time no some was $16,000 me pese me talk diamond man but me obi a me de be so na my year me calculations he was impressed with me no ogis ka no no kurani odi no krenso okwa odi mi maame anim ekwohwehwe dan ni bi na $24,000 till April 17th the year 1986 I'm talking first house $24,000 edima abe maame so ehon na ebie sam here baby a police station so wura under bridge no
yeah
na utene right so ba police station baby executive club
yeah
street near that left and sana police station aba if you ekopem end of the street men am J street light eje nsuo eko because now a bush that lane is me two houses no because still am mama ni me papa tio two na Dr. Preku and so tio am am J light eje nsuo eko sa line so you know T life has not been easy what do you say obi wa also me pese me ye Ohene Agyapong ko bokro no enye fast life I have built my capital over the years and businessmen coming to why businessmen if he say metimi aye adwuma no and I'm part of them and I know the problems that you are going through in fact now my SMN come with but odia bay mamin come yeah it's so sad Ghana yeah mobo I will hope that is why everybody listening to me should vote for me MPP for more mistake let's change this when you see and now I'm no say Ghana revenue for last week and mommy letter freya so more office be war Standard Authority building fish where they're from near Standard Authority. Yeah, Shippers Authority.
Yeah, Ghana Shippers.
Ghana Shippers building and from when you letter you call your coffee letter. You call ya steel plant Misia. Meanwhile, about 65% complete. You know, Ghana revenue. Actually, my letter said they want to go and audit me. And then they went there.
Audit you.
Yes.
Yes, still plant. Still,
yes.
You are. Yes, no TV. So.
Yes. Where are you? Yeah.
I'm going to today.
I don't know what they're going to do because me a Ghanaian. Me a Ghanaian. I'm a businessman. Omo ntia sia kura se Ghanaian wo adwene sei. E bia dwuma emma ni nua Ghanaian enya bia. Enne 10 o'clock. Enipa miensa from Ghana Revenue Authority. E ko de ticket Japan. Omo akọ onu mo ni ewu. Oti ase sa ahoya no. Emma Ghana for businesses and koso. That is what I stand for. We have to promote Ghanaian businesses. We have to encourage Ghanaians to make money and expand their businesses. What you say? Monsantia biem, ayrahu sem biem a esiye. Enra. Eye ashama asema esiye me committee chairman.
That's right.
Yeshia a soldier from paying for the minister. Then my wife kept calling. Wafra na me excuse you na me ya another and guasem biem say Ghana immigration akọ steel plant ho India for no a wo fixing machines wo makochi wo.
Ha! Jesus Christ.
Na Canada pompo a wo ye MPP empanfo yi bi mponi o. Na ordinary Ghanaian. So I know the problems Ghanaian businesses are going through. I know why we are not doing well as a nation. Because a country where we only give priority to foreigners against our own citizens, that must change.
Honorable Shese Tinubu, Nigeria for to Ababano, and now call Olumelu, the Nigerian mogul,
right.
Okosrano. Or call Munyinaso, President-elect, no.
Yes.
Or call Olumelo, he spent a night with him. Obeso who adia, obe take you over, obe timayamano. Wakaso obeko dangote ho, obeko $10, wako dangote, wako almost omo yem penny for more employee. Nigerians, the president-elect has visited all of them. What is this?
Last week, me costo, me one your friend say, "Omo nyalete say Ghana revenue say, omo de oma komwe besi ho. Ahwe fish do am ton a day." Oh yeah, and let me state it clearly, me matra ehunahuna. They cannot, I repeat, they cannot use the system to intimidate me. Now it's so sad for me to make this statement. Here, Rollins Abreso, Mibia Juma, President Kufu Abreso, Mibia Juma, Atamos Abreso, Mibia Juma, Eya Mahama Abreso, Mibia Juma. I never went through any of this harassment. I'm sad. I have to tell you the truth. I have never gone through harassment and intimidation as a Kufuor government. I'm a MP for 6 consecutive terms. Me be a Juma. Na me say Juma. Obi a meti obi comment say ni mados into ombefun. Me baby a mama your president I will go and work for me. I have a lot of businesses for them to work.
To baby anyone about
no. But this is the frustration I'm going through for setting up businesses to create employment.
For Ghanaians.
Yes. So, businessmen, any woman at say, minim woman here say. because I'm going through it. I'm going through it. And yet, top here, I cover by and then coming come away. Yeah. Because I'll face them squarely. And the sad part is, more Ghana revenue for Momo Jiji bribe. Omo ya me there omo. May expose Ghana revenue because we should not be intimidated by any institution in this country. We should not. Institutions should work. Systems should work. We don't have a problem. But say what Ghana for, utu enisi u Ghana for so be guo mojuma. What kind of people and black people yeah. Momo di adwuma ma obia. Omo wo office building bia omu si wo kanda ho. Contractors, they charge them 10%. Ghana revenue. Adi a me be ye wo mu. Omu fi say me be pre-president inti and say hunu e koso amenka meka upa men to mame. Because I'll live for the rest of my life. And I stand for the youth of this country because the future belongs to them. If we allow these things to go on, there is no future for any young man. If we allow these things to go on, there's no future for business people, Ghanaians. Mimiti ho. Opinion Indian is able to call custom commissioner. I don't even know the custom commissioner's number. And I don't intend to know.
Okay.
Because I'll do the right thing.
All right.
But you see, in the businessman for one, he said, Omo the bogus law be the bar said, Omo betra used cars, any parts, any one. So they met me at Tema. I'm going to say, how? Yeah, was so I'm here no kureni. Mami more honorable chairman Sabu Swabaso. He did well. And ya me any honorable chairman sa. And come be implement this our law no.
2012 cars and the work.
And I mean on by and bisa question say. And ya be ai man ko school and no akiri. Asin dom pim LA middle school. Enti America Ford brand new no mo ye no. Mo patch there say yen ton use car ho yen ton scraps ho ana. Why do you give us a condition? Say before I set up this company manufacturing just we use cars what's stop. Look at the number of people who go magazine. Look at the number of people who go aboso kan. You going to collapse their business? My question is, some brand new cars, first, per capita income of every Ghanaian. A man ain't me afford a brand new car. What you say? And compulsory, everybody should buy a brand new car. That is not the approach. They make a catch honorable chairman as a leader. One more. Who to me say Alan, finance minister. One anybody responsible. Oma you see in co-position if you implement this law. Leader, if we allow parliament to pass this, we are finished. In fact, I'll catch them say beginning, Nenka or support. But we CD depreciation, the amount of CDs are also the Kotosaka he disagrees. That is how come we suspended it. So they see Ohene Agyapong as somebody who knows their problem and who is ready to solve their problems for them. That is why the businessmen are all rooting for me.
Abono nsia pound meter duanai ye ne honorable Ohene Agyapong ewo efia ha twetwe nkomo. Honorable yenhwe mabunu and your passion that says Ghana first. The entina the bia okasa nyina o se Ghana first and the youth. Ghana first, the youth.
Medewase. O mind bia ni mind money manfo any do any tema enya proud say omu frisa kuru o mind no enye ye. Look, when we are talking to an American, even Ghana near wakoye American citizen, is so proud to hold American passport. Ghana, Monradi, bogus decisions, and I wonder those who sit there and take such decisions. Say a whole Ghana passport. Mosi yekotua baye me emfa Ghana passport nto. We've lost our identity to national identification. What?
So you are against this?
I am
Ghana
against
card
it. I am against it. I am against it. Say a whole nationality. A dear netimima me who say me a Ghana ni. I am a passport. Now we are saying, say, we will not even be allowed to use our passport because certain number of people are Ghanaians are holding it. The same applies to national identification. A lot of people are holding it. Ghana for. What you say? So Ghana first means we have to be proud. Say you're Ghanaians. So we are proud of Ghana. Ghana Korono. Ube you yem ayejuma. And what I stand for, because Ghana first now will work. P, patriotism. H, honesty. And D, discipline.
So that's the PhD.
Yes, if you love Ghana, and will be Ghana first, this three is enshrined here. Your fourth one, but I know the beba, from pragmatism. But now all the Kahua and money yet till my short term PhD. Ghana first because Uko Germans are, they are proud to be Germans. Holland for are proud. Italians are proud. Even Africa here, Nigerians and South Africans, they believe in themselves. What about Ghana? Enam adwuma endiha. Enam ateti tisania GR for the yeminti. Ghana ni na mompeso obekaso e Ghana ni. Because I'm frustrated. So we should prioritize say a country no yeni baby ako. Some people have sacrificed their lives in America to make America a better place for yani ani atisa dan ya usho ye nyame ye ya dom kodu America ene ya be odefo. Why can't we do same for our young men and women that are coming? Enunti me ni abre no. Because why I believe in the youth obanyini. Whoever thought say akola na odware abontin eti se fie wo ene me ba hweni padodo a etwa abontin etwa kai who say any child or youth given opportunity will probably do better than Niamaye.
Opportunity.
Yesusa no me krom me pentokwa ntini afra me say obi kura fi se jema akwa wedi na dwene ni ho me ofa ba ko afa nu wawu me na ye kama pa because he was the only person who believed in me. Yeah. Me krom for efra me efni bi o wa ma chese ye didn't free Kumasi ba no onye papa nti ne ko ne din nti no. You see ne nyame through hard work and God's grace. Sanembrantia ni mabawa wo Ghana ha if we give them opportunity. Me a champa breso. Me ti edibuame. That's why I believe in free SHS. Nana Kufuor. I got the scholarship from that village, remotest year. Na kani ni ho. Ensuo ni ho. E konsuom ni akodware. I got the scholarship to go to Addisani College. It's an opportunity. A champion pa ni asu e so jani o mu kika ne ho nsem tutu ni din bebre. Na no ne nsa no adwuma bi na ti ha ni.
Yes.
Enti akwana no wote dompem. Yesi na adwene nye no. Ene obe president. Let's give opportunity to the youth. That's why I believe in the youth. Because the future of this country belongs to them. But they don't consider the youth. Yeah, because obi awie university what if he 6 years onye adwumada how is he going to be proud of Ghana? What you say? What has gone wrong? And unemployment is so high in this country. We need to create jobs. So GRFWay, you should promote Ghanaian businesses instead of collapsing Ghanaian business. Promote Ghanaian businesses so that we can employ more unemployed graduates. But the so kogu policy is to destroy Ghanaian businesses. You are creating unemployment.
That's true.
What do you say? So me call brem enyoma amafam and mama believe in the youth to say if we give the youth opportunity they will change this country, especially this time technology abaying. The way these young men and women are doing things are completely different from ours. So, it is a America and Germany obi are sacrificing a life to make Germany a better place right after the Second World War. And mami African ako enjoy. Abraham Lincoln a build America. And mami African mako enjoy. And not my bad politician. Why don't I build my country? Why?
Makes a lot of sense.
Why don't I build my country? For Ghanaians, for the youth, also to get jobs. Whether they are auditing, whether they are collapsing their business, I swear to God, Ghana Revenue Authority can never collapse my business because I'll fight. I'll fight for the youth of this country. Because that steel plant alone will take 1,000 workers. And we are going there because Ohene Agyapong is a loud mouth. Because he wants to contest in the Ubegumejuma. I'm being nice and charitable to MPP4. They shouldn't dare me. They shouldn't dare me. Anybody. I will feel say me contest binti Ubegumejuma. I will finish the party. The things I will say, the things I know that I've kept quiet. Master, what I've gone through from January till date, MPP for Munti and Ye, I've been nice. I've been very, very nice. Basa will say, Enipa Bakunti, Ubegumejuma, Megu MPP. Mislomo. All right. Na mi body up here na mi di. Inti ahin pa na me bre wo wiase.
All right.
Sabu Ubegumejuma.
Ano be yanko anim. The word discipline. E kan wa yi ne ho. Ghana for kasa ne say utie ye de ati radio so calls ne ba. Almost say they see you as the one that can put discipline in Ghanaians. Why so?
Ebe nyonko no. O ye adwuma ma me a. Wa anye ni ya me yiwadi. Me yiwadi. Osofo be pacho mempene, politician be pacho mempene, businessman be pacho mempene, me uncle be pacho mempene. Me you. If he say ahemfo be pacho a me nya.
And they are all clapping.
If he say abrochire na ye koye no. Ye yi yedi wadwuma emu a. Obi me pacho ma. If I say 8 o'clock, everybody should report. You dance and report. 8 sharp. One strike. Now a comedian be deep one grow. Or say, they say one strike. You are what?
You are out.
One sack. Or say one mistake. One sack. Opinion. Abrochire. Oba ewa. Bosumi ayi na watwe mienu miensa na ode no ba ekọ babysitter emirika wodi ekọ adwuma aha waje 3 months na watifie minim company bia Ghana ha did 3 times a day free
Sompa 3.1
Ghana me madwuma did 3 times a day the best thing is say we subsidize once a day kurama wo.
Wow, we share once a day subsidize.
Who subsidize o koto aduane na say 10 cedis a company no betua 5 ono tun tua 5. But enye say breakfast, lunch, dinner. Enye juma. Ya ka say brejuma 8 o'clock or brejuma 8 o'clock. I'm an example. Last 2 weeks me be Kumasi ha. And I me call Nkra. Anopa first flight in Timiso, me kope breakfast. Ewo holiday inn na manom edru. Me didi anu manom. Then I got the call. Twaso. If I crash and say, Muntie ni. Omi ya juma wo wholesaler or ton provisions normally nyoma rice ni. And na manager no a ono hwa adwuma no so no. Ama akola ba ko ni driver akofa emo ni ti na pa na yi no akoton am obi. And we de 1,200 aba manager no. Na manager na fa 700. And one more 300 say 1,300 on 7. Or 300. And na company no egu. Okofa auditors buy. Year no aboka 1.2 million. No ochire manager. Ochire na fe obobo mu nyina din. Enti obisa me nadwene say okokọ me say men kire me court kro because uchire me a meba ho. Abeka kire judge say wo wa frame me a confess. Yemfa untum.
You told him.
Na me suro dey. The same day no. Many me yire nam. Me ka kire say we corrupt. O free America buy. Now we're very principled. But they say we're corrupt. You know why my wife is corrupt? Opanyini yati airport ha. Maami bi odidi no hwemanim owie no nya akukuduro no ba oni honorable Ohene Agyapong nam say yes. And was wo to Canada, Calgary. Ni edi nkomo na no say Ghana hade na ekoso we need you because nya ekoso na time na experience bi a obenya. Ne nyonko ba ayare. Odine call hospital. Oniska. Nurse ne say 250. Muntie ni ye. Mo sorry am say politicians na ye. Mo amugina bontin, mo amutia. Ye nyina we are all corrupt and we have to change. Maame no ka kira me say nurse ne gi ni 250. Oje 250 no am na receipt of 50 cedis. Then she started arguing with her. Say, how come you've taken 250 from me and given me 50 cedis? What 100 move 5. On one for 4 and one ma buy 1. Who we are? No other guy say politician. We're corrupt. Enti, why no say me yiri ni me very well. Why I'm so corrupt? Why na me bisa ma many question leading ones. Now obobo. Every baby a me yiri ka say mo nka hospital. Now you see, we also you corrupt. Ose mo nka hospital ni njirem. Enka nem betina ha ya mebo hospital ni din e wo Kumasi ha. Ba me yiri amana am njirem. I'm saying, how do you change it? Who sorry a person be first lady? Me pam wontem. With this attitude, who approach na akotena ya, who rise by director, our risk department, or budget, $500 million. Control. Is that the same attitude? And how do you? Obi 250 cities at Echo Hospital. Nurse not for 200.
Not sure 50.
Not sure 50. Obi challenge na ohumi bomba mania. Na me yira bona no say mo onganjire. Me so ye corrupt. Na maame no so wa no adana no na hospital no kura me nka na so who educated woman like you from Calgary. Won kai hospital no ya jiwe because me yira ka je say akwa we die wo tie nsem nyina obekwa koka wo. Me ma ye nipa boni for speaking the truth. Because ono fa 400 200 ne kwa 50 no a enso enuro to and now to maintain the hospital obaba bebo politicians itiri so meanwhile ni suban enema hospital no egu that kind of discipline ada beto ama kana Japan so a president pe Ghana ni bia bese samadwen
and they will change too.
Oh yeah, they will change. You see, we should love our country. We should love our country. That's the only way we can build it. Na country, foreigner buyer investment, your money tax rebate. Ghana need a investment, even bigger than the foreigner there when you tax rebate. Why? Don't you go town who say country be anywhere, the citizens know, and your first, except Ghana. That is why I'm saying, say, we need discipline. Yeah, who caught Ghana? Me see the tourism.
Yeah, I was going to go there.
Pumpa who caught Ghana? Pumwa. Efi robbers. Any efia ebu faso. If he say odo enemu kanu we ebia nemu ngomu tu robber egu. Hwe una mabonti nanu ye ko Algeria. Robber ba kukura da form. Into Algeria for me nipa che. We have allowed obia num ensio wo robber ma no wato atwene form. And wo fi say e normal. Uko kan kura se omfa onu benya gas asa didi watem. That will change. Now uba Garden City near Chiro say Garden City. Why Kumasi was named Garden City? You will see. In Nuya yebe dua waha. What do I say? I have a lot of ideas. Cultural center. Opposite in the first na almost ye ahimfubio said ne wo ho ne ebemu ni nyina should be museum tourist that people should go there. Oko honorable chairman's constituency here. Bremai what you say people should go there and then me free elimina and no pay Ghana needs Remnibia or Worcester. Now the 16 students Abba no ma ko Limina Castle ako Cape Coast Castle. At least over the whole 2 days, they are spending money. Tourism. What are we doing in this country? Why in the Beko Beach? Emra, Udru James Tower. The most expensive land on earth is beachfront. Your Tom Ponchi. How? And Ponchi. Me true. 1 second. Now, me too. Me kope baby am first. And yes, I'm by any two said Sebi Abuabi or no. That I don't believe in that. You be true. You be my baby atna. One kotna. God knows I've done my part. Will clear you. You be clean here purumunyina. Build the nice for tourists to come here. For young men and women to get jobs. That is what we have to do as a nation. A puidaho. About 366 kilometers. We are not making good use of it. Give me a chance and you see.
Agriculture.
Agriculture, my brother. I feel the 5 northern regions should have about 50% of all agro industries in the country. The nature of the land, the way it's here flat. And yes, sir. Me kwa na mkacha nse na mo tie mu kura saasi we osi Nyankopon po ase ehia what dweniti na ehia ko this land what we can do na na desert is kura ye dua rice what is wrong with this black people? I'm going to use 5 northern regions to feed the whole Africa. Akrachi Fono and he talks big. I do things big. And that's the only way we can move this country. In your marketing, handout. Let's use Afram Plains, Accra Plains, and 5 northern regions to feed Africa. Let's challenge ourselves. I know because South Africa, na usha farms, efekeke. Na no me ba call no akojina ayino from say, "Eish, me wo farms bi mu wa ha Kronsta was saying, me call baby a friend Kronsta. In Yuma, say farms, pa. I'm gonna catch you, Ghana for Ghana, catch them say, a broiler 365 days. Anytime be a open brew, be a South Africa. That is what we have to do. Yeah, Ukosroa, your share butter. Yet you Emma Abrofu, and the best is a share butter, Ghana for Nessa, nom dia Koguo, Omo a package, na Brofu na befa. Are we down? And Mr. Kwame Usu, me campaign manager, Neba, and contain keke, and contain, and no, the I am millionaire. Wakofa, frafrafo, abegu, and cran web beer factory. Every week, one you cry 3, 4, 40 containers, 40-footer containers, a co Amazon. Whoa. Yes, Kwame Usu, I'm an Neba, correct. Owie, University of Pennsylvania, Ivy League School, Law School. Obaya Ghana Habasha, baby another papatino. Vice President Aliu Mahama, come to me so baby. Now share the woman can tell now, you know, say, I'm inside the way. And Nona, Amazon, or percent or pass or Nioma echo here. So let me. And the wise can eat town. What do you say? So we need men and women with vision. And your brofuna makan and an interest rate, more interest rate, and the interest rate is 54%. Agronic form. Let's build industries. Let's promote Ghanaian businesses. Instead of undermining Ghanaian businesses, let's promote them. Yeah? Every country in the world is the entrepreneurs who creates job.
Okay. Net omokoto ye.
Yeah.
Ewo pum.
Epum, efimpa. Enam omuchi ye no he. Ade omuchi ye no epum. Efipa.
Sakumo no potemo.
You know, and you know frefrem no. What do you hear? Me nitro. My research, you know, I what is good for Ghana, and that is why my yes say wenko, and that Tinubu is my turn to make a difference in this country. It's my turn to make a difference, and I'll turn this country around within 2 years for you to see, with patriotism, honesty, and discipline. Who need IMF? Now, president and head of state be me penasempa. Me isune a champion.
Yes.
Pragmatism.
Yes.
I say wala tuwala sa nipa ba kwe uti asiye. On say ene ya ofiri hui. Ghana won koti gata numa no mo tuebu esoro no. Ensio to ya na sa akugu.
I say wa tu na wasa.
A champion say utu edigu and sa. Free ho. Wara two, na wara sa. Yes. Yes. And we're corny, you know. Wara two, wara sa. Nipa bako. So, Operation Feed Yourself. Oba a say dump ma a man she trousers no master shorts can be a currency kind na bass is your no more kofu akwadwuma. State Farms. I had done a senior wing. Yentimi am building on it. I'm gonna say, let us start again. So agro-processing. Yet ya ton cocoa. Cocoa. And then in Ninara. Cocoa just home cost syndication. And son woman is kabe. How? I always ask them, and the more kasa cocoa na maton muniska. Mo be tua akuafo ka. Na mo timi store cocoa no for higher price. Na da bia mo ma abrofi detect how much they will buy your cocoa. Gold. So we South Africa they will use minerals develop South Africa. Ghana ha obiara to gold no yeah am he kura ni aborofo no wo Ghana for de although mu sense you wo friend galamsey mummisa empenfo mu wa Ghana ha say Newmont ahi no mutua ema Ghana we want to know the helicopter besio every week yasisa gold di papa. Who watches them? Ghana government. How do you know how much gold you get out of that? Come here into media can you movie say me president didn't mean Ghana meka. Does it make sense to you say also gold would you cut oil gold for oil? Why don't you sell your gold, make the money and go and buy the oil and go through a middleman? Me man go school. But economics in a gumitri mo keke. Man go school. Simple things that we can do. And I'm surprised. You see, we have the men. We are hailing this. We are hailing gold for oil. Jesus Christ. We need to move. Move. Adia, no more ye good in this small scale. Omo ye ni sank be. But go to gold. Gold nkura fe omo to free galamsey for. Nti Newmont for any Anglo gold no any one. What are they doing? The country is sick. And we need a bitter pills for us to get healed.
Alright, we enter video 2007 with
if it's going to be like the gold we have in this country, then I think it's a misblessing.
What is that supposed to mean?
Misblessing in the sense that then we are even better off not even discovering this oil.
How can you say that?
I'm saying that because I want the government to negotiate well. We have gold in this country. Now we've sold everything to foreigners. I want the government to come. I challenge my own government. Let them come out and tell us openly if we are benefiting from gold in this country. And I will challenge them anytime, any day, that we are not benefiting from gold in this country. Look at the rate at which they are degrading our lands in this country. And Parliament, I should be ashamed of myself that I also voted 3%. 3%.
That's the royalty. You're referring to the royalty.
Yeah, 3% to government. I am ashamed of myself, but I'm confident talking about it because I criticized it. How can the whole 230 parliamentarians will sit there and approve that whatever Newmont is going to do in this country, Ghana government is going to make 3%?
Is that the case?
My brother. And last year, they made about $340 million, and about 9.2, 9.3 came to government. Do you think we need that in this country? Go and see what they are doing over there. The rate at which they are degrading our land for 9%.
But they say you don't have the equipment, you don't have the capital. What do you
My brother, if you don't have the equipment and you don't have the capital, you still have the natural resources that they need. So you have to bargain well. You see, my leaders or some ministers who come with another school of thought and tell you that, look, we are making, they pay taxes, this and that, corporate tax. If I declare that I made 20 million, then you're going to tax me on it. If I come and tell you 1 million, that's what you're going to tax me on.
Or you can say you didn't make any money at all.
I didn't make money at all. So what are you telling me? Are you quantifying that? So now, I am saying the oil is a misblessing in the sense that I want my government to go out there and negotiate well. Although they are bringing the equipment, heavy duty equipment that are expensive, no doubt about it. But they should also bargain. At least 35, 65. 35, 65 should not include taxes, corporate taxes. Our share. If they don't want it, they should leave it. At least we've been able to survive to date.
And then you'll sit on it.
Yeah, we sit on it. Yeah, but what difference does it make if we have gold here and we don't even have gold refinery here? We don't have diamond, nothing. So does it make a difference to you? When you go to South Africa, you see difference with their gold, what they've done.
All right. So 60 years ago, you said this.
Yeah, 2007. Yes.
60 years ago.
Yeah.
And we are still living in the same soup. Now it shows your consistency.
Yes.
So echina yenyane wa obeka the same. Fear do echi obeka the same thing.
The same thing. Until we
called
change.
honesty.
The day that will change means Ghana has changed too. And yes, I see America because I've seen 3 days ago. It starts with B. One Asian country beer. Use gold, coal, and copper. A developed country. Now, as when Asia, I'll get it. I don't want to mention it. So I saw it, CNN. Then I reflected soberly, say, what is wrong with us as black people? What is wrong with us? So 10% oil, and say we didn't negotiate well. Maybe an arms will man and for more. Because at the nature say you too oil. A dear pa nature say you too oil. Me can you any empty. But that time I'm a fine boy. They said I'm a crack.
That time we a farm boy. I was flew in a fantastic.
You know, Ghana, we have the natural resources. We need honest leaders. We need honest citizens. Not only leaders. We are all part of the problem. We should begin to think, say, ye pese Ghana ye nyina yensesan ya dwene. Na ye move Ghana. Politicians alone cannot do it. Ya na no ade tantan bi me hu video bi. Em se circle ho ba bi o. Enna squatters a omo ahihye omo nuoma ene ayi wo ho a. Omo be development wo ho. Squatters don't have a right. A blocku grader no ebegwisu omumpne. What kind of system is this? Amu de dadie nanim wonfa wo muso. This same person oko Dubai, oko China, odru airport wo pa na madwene no asesa. He conforms with the rules and regulations of that country. But hadie office any opebi also otumi ye otumi da fom say omma yen clear ho. Can you do that in China?
No, you dare not. You will not.
Can you do that in Dubai? Can you do that in England? Can you do that in US? Why say untumi nye ho de? I had the office also. You see, it cuts across. Ghana for omako suya bibi kura free abrochire no. Oduru Heathrow Airport, he conforms to the rules and regulations of immigration or the country. Of America, he conforms. Oduru Ghana Kotoka Airport to pa office say Emrano should be different. Now be who mo ko the same ekono onya kukuduro mpo any immigration officer wo UK enko but Oduru Ghana fe no okontokwa. Yes. So we have to conscientize Ghanaians and change our mindset if we want to develop. And we need bold leaders who call a spade a spade. What you say? Adi enye, adi eye. Yemfa move o mine. Na nyesa no mo ba. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Quatricquase, Obama intuma, Tieniding. All the candidates on Benina, Mumisa Womu, delegates. Mumisa say, Anya Bi, Beman Munyam Foa, Mimi Batifia, Onya Jumanye. Now so Oba Beman Jumayan. One Casawabra boom, any part do a saying, and one more Jumay.
That's $1 million question.
What you say? Bisano also obemu adwuma yo. Bisan say and now what you are okura position kese no. Enipa dodo sign and one ma wo adwuma. For him now to come and tell you say give me opportunity and I'll create job for it. What you are call cabinet where who say Ghana for mrantie ni mabawa anya adwuma. Where who? And then umbeka chira say omu purpose beka chira say they will create jobs for you. At least media I don't think no marry o madwin say the Ghana revenue a better time. Meka da mensesa you. What's me your presidential and my presidential? Me your presidential don't just say no kuransuma menga. No kuransuma menga. My presidential. Say be a first ge but her name ge but meka no kuransuma. We should be bold to speak the truth in the interest of our country. That is the only way we can develop. And yes, sir, there be a young kwa your own country. So we shall Malcolm, we shall Palace, we shall Numa Kasia Kosua. Ghana for Yansu Suba Binti. And Nama I want to take over businesses. But India niya bahabe ye jumenyeska. Lebanese niya bahabe ye jumenyeska. Chinese niya bahabe ye jumenyeska. Natural say Ghana here.
It's true. It's true.
Ghana here. Inti yansu ye betimi ye dwuma no enyeska. Baraka niyoma mienu. Aban no nya se Ghana fo adwuma otata wo mu. Na two. Ghana fo na kasanso ye nya akro no bo e wo adwuma mu. India fo no all positions are a war a juanma a yesikasem managerial ibia the India for na show because all my experience over the years be a human far Ghana for Ghana for the real woman come juma ebu tiene oma kofa woman ko for.
And the unfortunate thing is honorable and the Ghanaian businessmen prefer the general manager and accountant. I have friends from Malaysia, yes. Any Indians, omo accountants, ni omo general managers. Ghana. Ghana new.
Krachi wakwachiri where they are high. Housemates. And a Ghana former ekofa a ma free Vietnam. Yes. Because of honesty. Because of honesty. Enti general manager nkra de wakwachiri o. Me say na Ghana fo a omu pe nkofo ahwe omu ma a bibi wo omu nsam no om kofa hoho no ba.
Obaso obedi no kre.
Yes. That is where our problem is. Enti aban no esesa ni suban no yeni anso yensesa suban. This is the only way we can move the nation. Inti yeah baby ya wo gahwe momia mo Ghana for artisans say arc welders, mechanics and you need to go to the steel plant and see
Ghana for
what bibi na here India for ni gina ho and watch and put this one here na Ghana need their show no weld it, put this one here no weld it. One of the shirts there when new one be omoye no would him say Lebanese ni na beje contract no ono beje yen because Ghana ni na yes adwuma we nyina na ye pen intemti ye de ma Lebanese ni o charge me o wie ye no Ghana fo nko na adwuma ozi hoda barenam so Lebanese ni nti Ghana fo no adwuma basa make na Japan enam de adwuma ne man director enko onye but ukopa ne boys no hihye equipment no wow we are good. So as a businessman what I've come to realize is say we lack supervision. The managerial level there's a stopgap that we have to fill. Yetimi emnya good managers Ghana benya ebe fan into my prefera me ye adwuma we Ghana ni ba ase dompem this year na watu ani asibi hu se wo besere and now kwa woman yewu ha we na make an shared we say Ghana phone kwa na fix it hwem say obi test ro on so obi test ro
yes
Lebanese ni na age contract on see ho but Ghana phone na shisha de ni it means we are good
giving the opportunity
but we need supervision, we need managers. Ya dia mu we nyina watu ni nyina Ghana ni na tu we no but the ba wo be hu say India for no and a fixing machine. Of course, I know the woman a building no media bent Ghana phone in me. Now me say me for boy back HND from Wa say you should go and understudy them. nti oni omu nkoye adwuma na won hwe
from wa
yeah nti waba a wo ye adwuma no bi it's for everybody and so no homa minister on bese
okay abusiafo yeah they be see na ma men kan sem we honorable nkomode ma no drew maybe out of passion he say if MPP dares you immediately try to social media and I will collapse NPP if they dare me.
Yeah, I repeat. Let me slow one. Opa, woman koso, so mube. Now woman catch them place on begumejuma, and I'm ready for them. Don't worry about it. Niazi mi slow one. Opa, woman try say begumejuma. You see what will happen. Now woman says can go abrochire no mo yegumejuma. Me and me this category higher juma. Hey, Debbie, woman po mu wasem.
Okay. I was here for the juma de besia. Nipa dom wo form up say womo Asia honorable na omone no edin komo. Ghana my this is the man Ohene Agyapong. Today. Honorable, yes, sports. Ghana, there na woman sports. Trasi kakra. Na misrewa. Trasi mabina. Bruno. Any of these people, TV sports. Father Roma. Na yemfamye.
Yes, sports today. Me feel say, eno na etimide. The only etimide unity. Ghana. Who NDC, who MPP, who CPP. You see Ghanaians. Sport. TFE said we should encourage them. We should promote sports in this country. Na anye kura no. Omu free mu ekobo outside. The amount of money they make to come home and do business. Yet now so many years are intiminya. Into yourself. Sapphire not a year. That's what I'm replicating. Baby, baby.
Or more academies, no?
Right. A trainee young ones, no. What do you say? A trainee young ones.
I bet more of export.
Right. Now, any more of export as such, but Obia Nimbo, local, body, when your opportunity no occur outsider, yes. When your opportunity no occur outsider, yes. Indeed, I believe in them. I believe in sports, especially the unity at the back Ghana. Until I see a promote to sports in the woman chance nearby. I'll make sure say sports today all over the country. And yet a woman kwa and a discover. A young woman kwa and a discover. Until I believe in sports.
A quick one. Obi might be our young or be a delegate. Onim Ohene Agyapong contribution to MPP. Ebi Makabi. Wow.
Obeying.
Yes.
Maka. Onipan wo huna. So be it. So be it. I've done a lot for this party. Nti obi a osi wo hunu. Na womunam diabolic. Any you know why I made that statement? Enra minister bi minister bi ni me kasa so you are going to be Peter Obi, meaning the youth supports you but you won't win. Tinubu, the system Buhari never supported Tinubu,
yeah,
but he won,
yeah.
What you say?
The last time I was a son Nigeria
Naira no Buhari and you want a whole president vote to win or the trade. So a minister now catch them say, me Peter Obia. Be it. I can be Tinubu, I can be Peter Obi. And to me a clean campaign. Obi Obe wuni be any support. But if you look at me and tell me say you are going to be Peter Obi. Omunde, me say orchestrated the you to destroy me business. NPP, I repeat, let them dare me and you will see what will happen. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of NPP. If they dare me, so obegu medjuma. Brahma brewo wiase. me be johnny MPP etua sika eto pick up some mam na mimi hu nti ubegu no because nipa da sane bi apaso India let them try it ubegu GR for bribe o mu gie enipa o mu gie bribe me am be out. Now the last question I asked me say GR for gi bribe 10% and tax say no mu tua bribe no.
Okay. And on this note, we draw the curtain on today's program. Abusuafo medimu si hanomo. Ye Daniel Huaba na Jumedia Akano ato aso e de amamo. Medini o mahi